Hey guys, thanks for coming in. Just hanging out. You guys are welcome to come in. Just message me on Facebook because for some reason I can't post links in the chat. So if you want to come hang out, shoot me a message. What's up, Bob Carnes? Mika? Hey, Minnesota Paul. Thanks for coming in, guys. Thanks for coming and checking the channel. We got both of them going streaming tonight, so everybody can watch and check out both channels, streaming live to both of them.
Somebody left the damn door open.
You like that?
Yeah, that was cool. Somebody left the damn. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Is that kind
huh?
Is that kind of loud or what?
Nah, she'll be right. MN Paul, Mika, what's up, Steve? Bob Corns, how are you doing? Haven't seen him around.
I tried to share a link to get into here, but it won't let me share links in chat.
You won't let what?
It won't let me share links in chat.
Why not?
I don't know.
You want me to try?
You can if you want. I was trying to share the stream link, and it bounces back. See that? YouTube rejected your comment. It's fairly common when sharing a link. You may need to share the link another way.
That's weird. Oh, it's like 282. Yeah, it won't. It's over the 200. I'll send it to him in Messenger.
Yeah, do that. Bouncing around with my 5-inch.
There you go, Steve. He should have it now.
Sweet. I have nothing that emails coming.
I don't have MN polls. I don't have Bob Corns. I haven't seen Bob Corns in a while.
Yeah. It's usually pretty late for him, but he comes in and hangs out and chats a bit.
Yeah.
I've seen him come in a couple times, but...
Okay. Yeah, so I did that SD card holder, but it doesn't snap in.
Oh, yeah.
It's the only thing I don't like about it. Yeah, well. And I think it only works on a sort of SD card, you know?
Donk. Nice landing, eh?
Hey, pronk.
Badunk. Badunk.
And
Whoa.
here's Steven.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
What's up, man? Been a long time, man.
Someone left the door open.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All in.
You're going to let the damn cats out.
I got to go flying today. It was fucking awesome. I had so much footage.
Sweet. I might go flying tomorrow if it don't rain. It's supposed to rain for like a week here. Here comes January. And it's shit because the wet season is usually end of January, beginning of February. And it's all coming early now.
Wow.
It's crap.
Man.
I'll be right back.
Fuck yeah. Got paid today.
Sweet.
Where's the keys at? Oh, Night Train. What's up, buddy? Yeah, come on in, man. Just shoot me a message on Facebook because YouTube is having a hard time sharing links for some reason. Oh, there you are. I found your message that you sent me, and I'm sending you one right now. So yeah, this is quite a fun park I went to go play in. I busted up a bunch of props flying there. I definitely really spent about, I think I ruined about 5 or 6 props total today. Just playing around gazebo. And I just like flying it, and it played a lot of like really like cool flips and maneuvers around it. And I've actually got footage of me and my friend Jared each other, which is pretty fun. Yo, buddy, you found the key.
Audio working over here.
The audio's working.
Hey,
buddy.
Mike.
Good to go. Good to go. I was hoping it didn't like capture shit and like move it. Dude, it was hell starting my stream tonight because it was the first time on Zoom. So the Yeti mic wanted to pull like all the audio, all kinds of shit. It was like, oh, dude, why can't I hear anybody? The Yeti mic's got like a microphone or a headphone jack on it.
Mm-hmm.
So it's got its own like speaker system, like it connects up. So when I connected to Zoom, it pulled all my fucking speaker sound over to the Yeti microphone for the headphones. I was like, oh, took me a minute to figure out what it was.
That was my attempt at a power loop there. It wasn't too bad.
Glad StreamYards didn't pull it too far though.
Yeah. I find StreamYards works better with audio than Zoom. But,
Yeah, Zoom's a little bit more complicated. It runs smooth when it runs once you got it set up, but there's a little bit more setup to it and tweaking, that's for sure.
This is a 2.5 inch chasing a 5 inch. And this is what happens.
It's cheaper for paid version though. I'm just saying. I mean, paid version on StreamYards is like $30 and Zoom is like $15-17 for the paid version.
Yeah.
So it's cheaper on Zoom if you pay for it.
Right.
But for free, StreamYards is way better.
Yeah. Totally.
Zoom only gives you like 2 people on the live for unpaid, some shit like that, whereas Stream gives you 6.
I really don't mind it though. I kind of like StreamYards.
It does well. It does well. I did StreamYards for a little while or whatever, but I went to Zoom because a lot of people were using it and they were doing lots of tweaks. It seems to do well.
Plus, you can have like fucking people.
I have to pay $30 a month or whatever for StreamYards too, you know. So, or for Zoom, I think it's like $18 I pay a month for StreamYard or for Zoom.
Yeah, way cheaper.
But I can have like 98 people or some shit on the stream too. So
We have
that's
100.
kind of nice. Whereas StreamYards, even if you pay for it for $30 a month, you're only getting like 10 people. So it's a little bit more capability for kind of cheaper, but at the same time, it's restricted because of what they do. Or I don't know. It's kind of a toss up between the two. StreamYards does well though. I had more issues with streaming like live feeds or like the videos you're doing with StreamYards than I did with Zoom.
Yep.
But Zoom, you get a little bit more setting capabilities, I think, is what the big difference was.
Yeah.
You can change things around a little bit more.
Better.
But yeah, they both do well.
I kind of like StreamYards because it has like the functions like scoring.
Ed loves StreamYards. It works good with XSplit Cam,
Yeah.
which is free also, and it's like the OBS.
Mhm.
So he plays with that quite a bit, and it streams quite well. And he's had very little issues with XSplit and StreamYards mixed together.
I'm impressed with that mic.
Oh, dude, this mic is badass, dude. I was playing with it, doing some live shit, like at home, like, audio mixing, like playing some Spotify and singing along. And, dude, it picks up so much better, and the quality is so clear.
Mhm.
I like it.
Yeah, it's awesome.
One of those
It
things.
was worth it. I appreciate you guys' help for getting it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'd have probably bought like a $50, $60 mic. Instead, I bought like a $170 mic. So
Yeah, but you needed it, man. You do your lives every week.
yeah, I'm doing shit all the time. So it was worth it.
I'll wait until the boys from above and beyond. I can find out you got.
Oh, dude.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. This shit'll be nice. I played with the settings. There's 4 settings on a Yeti, and I'm on like setting 1 or no, I'm on setting 4. So it's 1 or 4 were the best 2 so far for streaming from what they told me tonight.
Okay.
But I played with originally I had it on setting 1. It was good, and I played around. I was like, "How's this sound? How's this sound?" Kind of thing. Check. And this one was 4, and they said it sounded most like voice-like, without the echo tinniness to it or whatever. So
Did you click echo cancellation?
I don't even know what I got on. I got the gain up or the volume up at halfway. I think the gain's down at like 0, all the way down to low.
You'll be good
And
now.
then on the back, I've got it on setting 4 out of the 4 different directionals.
You'll be good.
For the microphone, I got it on setting 4, which is supposed to be, I think, like a stereotype mix.
Yeah.
So
now you'll be good on that.
yeah, it's doing well, man. I like the stand, because the stand, like, I can boom this thing out in front of me if I want to.
Oh, you got? Did you get this
there?
stand?
And
Did you get that stand?
yeah, I got that stand with it, but I got a boom with it too.
Yeah, see, you got
I
a fucking
paid the
deal,
extra
man.
for the boom, so the boom will slide out of the way, and I can position it over here, and it's far enough away with the audios that
I had to buy this one. I had to buy this.
This was all in a set. It was like 170 for the microphone, the stand. It had the like pop speaker on top and whatnot. So all set for 170.
Hey, Michael.
It wasn't bad.
Hey, Michael, how are you?
Good evening, Michael.
Whammy.
Yeah, this cost me like 200 and something, but it would have been good if it came with a deal with like a
The
boom.
microphone I had was like $40 or $50 microphone. It was like an BM 850 or some shit like that. Which
I'll be back.
When I put in like a $70 range on microphones, pretty much every microphone that came up was about the same thing.
Yeah.
I was like, well, I paid like $40 for this one. They sent me some money that already doubled what I paid for this one. So I figure I at least have to upgrade, you know? I'm like looking around. I'm like, the Yeti's probably about the best thing. There was this one and the Rode microphone were the two that I was choosing from.
Roads are expensive, man.
The Rode one was the same price, but it didn't come with the boom.
Yeah. Straight
And
flat.
I don't know if it was the full multi-directional type Rode. And
See, I
the
reckon
Rode, that's
Rode
the
Yeti
key
is one of the best.
is making sure you got the directional type thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The mics are specific. So I went away from the Rode because this one had more directional output on the microphone. So to
Yeah,
be
you
good
got
for
the same
all
as me.
around.
Yeah, you got the same as me. So I can click the
Yeah.
button on the back. I can have it coming from straight, or
Yeah.
I can keep it like it is now on Omni.
Yeah, it's
I got
got Quadro and Omni or Bi or it's got all kinds of directional. So,
Yeah.
but this seems to be the good ones so far. So we'll go with it and see how she goes.
I like the Omni mode because it
But I
bounces off.
appreciate you both. I'm just
No,
saying.
no Walkers.
The
Oh,
only
man.
other donation was Private Island donated that night. So
Private Eye. Yeah.
yeah, good peeps. Like I said, man, I don't take donations all the time and this or that. And it's
This
all
community
entirely-
is good, man. This community is fucking good. We help each other.
yeah,
And,
it's been great.
hey, I got more support from this community than I do with real people in life. So,
Yeah, dude. And that's why I YouTube all the time now. You know what I mean? I don't even Facebook. I don't like hang out down the road with people or this or that. I go
Yeah.
over to the grow house and I come home and I'm on YouTube. You know, I spend all my time there because those are the people that communicate and support. And
yeah. And I mean, I stay on Facebook, but not as much because I'm at work and shit. But
my
Right.
Facebook is so blown up by advertising for drone
Oh.
shit. You know what I mean? Like, hey man, you want to test this? You want to test that? Dude, there's so much shit that I don't see anything on Facebook anymore. I use Facebook to try to promote a little bit, and that's all there is to it.
I talked to Sovol to get the Sovol V3, the newest one out, because it's huge. And the lady kept on asking me, "Oh, do you want us to send it to you?" I said, "Dude, if you send it to me for free just to try it out, I'm keeping it." And she goes, "No, you have to send it back." I was like, "Nah, that ain't a deal." I said, "I just want to know the cost of it from Australia. You know what I mean? That's all I'm asking." And she finally broke down and said, "Okay, we got a warehouse in Sydney, and it'll be 570 something." So that's
If you'd have tested that though and gave them a 5-star rating, they might have sent you that for free.
They might have,
but you got to commit to that 5-star rating.
Yeah, and I'm at work all the time, so how the fuck am I going to do that?
I got some drones up on the wall, Holly Stone type drones, and I got 4 of them up there, and I tested them. You know, they were like, "Oh, we'll send you this, and you know, we'll give you the free drone. You just put up a review." And I put up some reviews, and they were 4 or 5-star. You know, but they were decent drones. They're not like bad drones, but to what I'm into now with FPV, they're like, dude, I wouldn't even waste my time on that shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, like, what kind of review do you really want? Oh, they're good for consumer and toy grade, and they'll get you into flying a little bit.
They're for kids.
You gotta pick and choose, and I wasn't looking to do that, so I ain't done nothing in a couple of years.
They're for kids to start beginning in them.
Well, the one I got's a $300 GPS drone, dude. It's like the fucking Phantom 4 with limited distance.
Well, it should
do 500 meters, no problem. You know,
that's all right.
You do a football field, it's got, I think, 1080 cam on it, so it's a decent camera. Wi-Fi's to the app, at 500 meters. So I actually, one of the local clubs up here was looking over some land next to him. There was 5 acres. He was looking to buy that out. He's like, hey, man, come up and fly your shit and get a look over the land and I'll pay you. So I got like a quarter ounce of weed for flying over the land and giving them a basic graph with a $500 fucking drone. You know what I mean? So it actually made money. So I can't complain, really. It did the job, It's all specific on what you want it for, though.
Yeah.
Mike, do you have your TV volume on? I think I can hear your mic, your TV. I mean,
Yeah, we got no volume on Becca, Steve. His mic's turned off.
No, on yours, bro.
on your TV.
On my TV?
Yeah,
I can turn the TV off. Is that what you're hearing?
I think I can hear it.
I think we are.
Yeah, you probably can.
Yeah.
See, now
I
your
turned
mic.
it on after my stream and whatnot. And
Your mic is badass now, dude.
yeah.
You could probably hear yourself taking a poop in the other room.
My bathroom's at the other end of the building, so you probably won't hear that. But
Go walk over to your
you
bathroom.
might hear me coughing off the bowl.
Go over there and flush your toilet and come back and see.
Yeah, that's one thing I gotta watch. I had the TV totally turned off for my stream. I didn't even turn it on, but when I got off my stream, I was like, all right, let's see what's on the TV, and I turned it on. Then I got back into the streams and I forgot all about it. So
It was
Good
blowing
call, bro.
up because I got brand new speakers today in the mail, like really cool ones, RGB.
Yeah.
And I was like, checking it out. I was like, is it a connection issue that I'm having? So I had to mute the stream. And I was like,
Yeah, I got surround sound over here, so if I turn my shit
me
off,
too.
I'm only at like 18% volume or some shit on my main volume. And
I can
if I
turn
turn my
mine.
speakers up, you'll hear the echo.
so
I
what?
got a dial on mine, and I can turn it up as loud as.
Well, I got a dial on mine, but I got the dial turned all the way up, and I control the volume from the computer so that I can control it from
Yeah.
here. So I've
Yeah.
got my speakers basically set the maximum value that I ever want them to be, like
Yeah.
85%, something like that.
Exactly. Yeah.
And then I just adjust from the computer so I get what I want.
Yeah, see, my monitor is all the way up to 98%, and then this.
Oh, I
dial-
don't use monitor. I got surround sound, so that's a difference.
Well, that's what it is.
yeah.
That's what it is. These monitors don't control, so it goes
I got
into the back of the computer.
2 out of 3 monitors that'll have speakers if I wanted to, but I'm like, no, I ain't using that sound.
Mm-mm. Now these monitors don't have sound. They're 1080p.
Yeah, all my
27
monitors, all
signals.
but one of my monitors have sound even. So,
Yeah.
like the Yeti,
It's,
picked
my
up
surround sound goes right
new
into
monitor and like tried to change
goes-
it over.
my surround sound goes right into the back of my computer,
Yep.
and then I have a dial here on my keyboard. I have a little dial that's set to like 98% sound, and then this dial controls everything. I can
Oh, you got like
turn it up, whatever.
walls. I see. Dude,
God damn.
no, man, you haven't flown that thing yet?
Dude, I got 5. Dude, did you see the new post? The lynch linchpin has been made.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
has.
they actually made a linchpin
Really?
that flies.
Linchpin.
So,
yeah. Like,
I'm interested to see what comes out of that, but
Ones
No,
that
I
are going to
haven't-
be brought
I
out.
haven't done anything with the linchpin, dude.
still beta.
Not a thing.
It's not even in prototype yet. It's like beta. It's like
That's some AI type shit. Like
Oh, it's in beta.
straight
All
up. If you're a programmer, you'll get into that and you'll do something with it. If you're not a programmer, you ain't even gonna fuck with that thing.
that's
No.
right.
Yeah. And from my understanding, the programmer that did it was from like iNav or something like that. He's a programmer in the iNav actual foundation and
Ryan,
programmed and made the linchpin. That's the guy that made it.
What's up, Ryan?
what's up, Ryan?
So
You've uncovered.
yeah, that's crazy. That I'd like to see that thing fly, and I'd like to buy one.
too.
But
Me too. I want to see it
There's-
fly.
I got nothing to help him with the fucking design of it and the build of it, though. I got nothing.
It'd be good to see, though.
I can build a pod, but I can't build that shit. There's no way.
It's all line of sight. What they haven't done is having FPV camera, which
Yeah,
wanted
and
to.
I'm waiting to see what they do with FPV because there's no way the way that flew in the video. There's no way they put FPV to that. You'll be so disoriented by flipping and rolling. I mean, it was flying lines and rolling at the same time. The entire time, it was flying straight lines. It was rolling. So
For it to work, you have
controls are great.
camera.
And
Like
I like that, but yeah, what are they going to do with an FPV camera? How are you going to control it? What's the big term?
so it's gonna.
And I'm not sure because Terrence says he's got some ideas, and this was only the introductory level, to try to find to seek out some highly educated or oriented people
Yep.
and build them into it.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
got more planned for it, so I'm interested to see what he's got. But
Oh,
Terrence
cool to see.
Howard, I mean, who'd have thunk? Dude, he was like, it ain't hard out here for a pimp. You know what I mean?
movie is sick.
Dude, the whole time I'm seeing the linchpin come up and they're like, oh, yeah, there's a $25,000 contest. I'm like looking over at the screen and seeing Terrence Howard going, it's hard out here for a pimp. Make him. I'm like, yeah, you're pimping, motherfucker, ain't you? You know what I mean? I'm like, it just goes with it. I'm like,
The hustler, bro. The hustler.
but yeah, I like what he's doing so far, and there's some things coming, but we'll have to see what comes out of it.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Could you imagine
I mean,
FPV
that's big money.
inner gyro like the Insta360 Go does, where no matter
Right.
what, it's automatic.
There's definitely
You can fly your drone.
acceptance for it and
you
capabilities for it.
would fuck up your head because you would think that you're still right way up, but you would be up.
You get hooked up with AI and the 360 type thing, and 3D video or 3D flying like Zoe does.
That would be wild.
My understanding, that's what made it happen is the 3D flying capability, being able to throttle control, half throttle, this or that.
Be right back.
I could see where that happens.
What's going on here?
It'd have to for it to be able to maintain altitude and still rotate the way it does. It would have to have some 3D flying dimensional. But
so talking about this drone,
yeah, that's crazy. Oh, there you go. That's just insane, dude.
And so this is a drone that can flip around and still fly in any direction it turns in at. So see it just like that. It's still hovering in the air, flying, just normal, all the way around. Kind of like Star Wars droid.
So this here's the original design of it. Terrence Howard, comedian, put it out and he said, this thing can fly in any direction, and it's supposed to have the optimal direction so that each thrust force is optimal, so that he put this out and he says, design a drone around this that flies. And the video that Marcel's showing is this design put to work
with motors,
with the flight controllers and AI and all the shit that we've got together. That's what he's flying. So it has to be, the contest was, it has to be this basic design. It could be bigger or smaller, but it has to have the same angles and design as this little whatever it is, and make it fly. So this is what you're seeing on Marcel's cam. Oh, but yeah, it's been done, and it flies awesome, dude. The stability on this thing is crazy.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
better? Can you hear me better now?
And that's without a bunch of tuning and stuff, you know what I mean? They still got tuning to do with the AI and flight controllers and this and that, but
What are you
your
doing?
basic flying, that's just
Hey?
What are you doing?
thanks, Mike. I'm
Hi.
working on it, man.
I
What are
just
you doing over?
got a parcel. Where'd I go?
Yeah, no, what are you doing over there? You got a lot of like crazy rustling noise. What are you up to?
Oh yeah, just got a parcel from TH3D. Look, these B grade plates, magnetic plates for the printers. Only cost me about $12 each, I think it was.
Oh, cool. Bill plates.
Got through.
Nice.
Yeah, they're B grade. They've got a little dent on them somewhere or something, or a little scratch. So
Coming along.
cool.
Oh, awesome.
I'm tearing up this kangaroo. Look at it. Look, I'm tearing it up. Get it. Get it. Get it.
He's doing the bunny hop.
Might be tearing up a few tonight when I go shooting.
Hey, there you go. You going shooting tonight?
Yeah, well, later on this afternoon. Yeah, let's
Nice.
see what we can get. Some dog food, some freezer food.
Yeah. Try to get some pig. Make sure they're not feral. But
Well, I got to work in the morning, so I'm tearing it up right now.
I'm off till Tuesday.
damn.
Fucking chilling. That's why I'm doing it.
Going on
Yeah.
I think out of 4 pigs, all we got was 1 hind.
Yeah.
It was shit. They were riddled.
Yeah. It's like some of the kangaroos.
You gotta get a better
get-
shot, man.
if it's too dry, they get worms.
Yep.
So they're going through the joints. So they end up as dog meats straight away. You know, it doesn't go to waste.
Oh, no. But yeah, I couldn't believe it. 4 fucking pigs, and we only got 1 hind. I couldn't believe it. It's like, shit.
Yeah, we get more feral dogs than bloody pigs up here. Get a few camels running around.
How are
Yeah,
the pigs
farm
up there?
ones-
Can you eat the pigs?
Well, I haven't seen a pig here yet, mate.
No?
No.
Shit.
We put a few camels down because farmers told us to shoot them if we see them because they wreck the water troughs and everything.
Right.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, they're useless. Yeah, they're useless bloody things there.
Yep.
But the back strap on them's really nice. Oh,
Yeah, I heard that.
really nice.
I heard that from a butcher that I know. But
Yeah.
he's the one that cut up my pigs when I lived in Hamilton. I had 3 of them. So by the
Yeah.
time I got home, well, he told me to kill them and hang them. And in the morning, he came at about 6 a.m. I was gone for work at 5. By the time I got home, they were all cut and in my freezer. I was like, damn, fucking good.
That's
It
a
filled
good
my
butcher.
freezer and my girlfriend's dad's freezer. Fucking we good barbecues out of that puppy.
Yep.
But I bred them. I bought them when they were like this big. They were about
Yeah.
$25. I got them, and I kept them until they were about 60 kilo. That's when I done them.
Yeah.
Just ripe enough for shooting.
Mm-hmm.
Getting hungry.
Yeah.
I got some pork ribs in the slow cooker right now. I think I'm going to let them go for about 2 hours.
Problem is you sold them off though, instead of saving them for your own meat.
Yeah.
I'll let the ribs go for probably about another hour, and then I'll put them in the oven.
Mrs. Night Train, how you doing?
Hello. Oh, she brought the Coke in.
No,
Nice
she's
coming to get
stealing
the
my
Coke.
Coke. She came in to get a sip. She's like, "Oh, he's
Yeah,
got some
Red Beer,
pop
you
in
should
there."
link her YouTube in the chat there, Mike.
She's going to bed, so she come in and stole my last drink.
She's like, I got the Coke and I ain't letting it go now. Good night.
And she stole a kiss.
From the bed, Bobby.
No.
Come here. Come here. Oh, there's the boy.
A puppy.
That's my boy. Fighting double ear infection right now.
Oh, fuck that.
That's pretty healer.
Come here, girl.
Get in
I
there.
hate when dogs go through that.
Get over here. Get up here. Come
Looks
here.
like a blue heeler, is it?
Come here.
It looks like it.
She's so excited for Mama to go to bed. She don't even want to get up on my knee. She's like running back off over and over.
Is that a blue heeler or a kelpie?
And they're Siberian Huskies.
Huskies.
Oh, really? Shit, they
Both
had the same
Siberian
color as
Huskies.
a.
They're brother and sister, actually.
Yeah.
So, you coming back up? Come here. He smelled the beam. He's like, "Hey, Dad, what's going on? You want a drink? You want a drink?" Oh, he drops down. He's like, "Yeah, I want a drink."
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
I had the same coloring as a blue heeler.
You are the only one without.
Yeah, he's got some spotting like the blue heeler and whatnot.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The head.
His mother was Siberian Husky, and she lived over in Muskegon area, like other side of the state, a couple hours away. And she got loose out in the woods and come home pregnant one night. So we don't know what the mix is, but with his spotting and this and that, we figure it's kind of like a blue heeler type mix or this or that, but we're not sure. But they're Siberian Husky something mixed. We got them for like $10 a piece on the side of the road. We gave them some life. So all's been good. We
just get the shots and everything.
Hands on both the dogs and making sure they're clean and healthy. And
what the heck is that?
Yeah, that's
Two new dogs to build. 2 new droids. These are
They look like agitators.
Already sold one of them.
Yeah, they do.
I thought it was an agitator.
Yeah.
Agitator, extractor. Oh,
why am I so quiet? I don't understand why you think I'm quiet. Maybe you need to.
I don't know why everybody thinks you're quiet. You're good audio level with everybody else that I hear. I mean, you're the same audio level as Tim or Mika. I don't know what my audio level is.
Mike's new mic is booming.
Yeah, I've only got it up halfway, and like, I probably need to adjust the main audio level a little bit down. It's a new mic, so we're playing with it and seeing what we got.
Yeah, Mike is fucking clear as day.
Yeah, definitely way better than what I had.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
I just couldn't do it. Sometimes I'd be on the stream just listening, and
sometimes it'd be great, and then other times it'd be like crackly, right?
Oh, bad.
The audio. I think it was the cable more than anything, and that's why I was talking about. Like, Andrew's got mixing board hookup, so I got a 16-channel mixing board up in the closet, but I've never hooked it up. So we may end up using that mic for that and see how it does on a mixing board. But yeah, it was like a $40 mic or some shit. So
right.
I don't mind passing it on. It's been like 3-4 years using for audio, but clarity is definitely better.
I'm having like anxiety about my microphone now. Is it like better now? Like muffled?
Now you sound further away.
And I don't know.
Yeah, it sounds like you're far away from it.
Huh?
Well, that's like me. I got 4 audio settings on the microphone that I can adjust from. It's like directionals from the way the mic picks up. Now I'm like, well, what the fuck am I supposed to use, dude? How do I know what one is really best? I mean, some people give you some views, and some people like, oh man, it's too loud, or you're like picking and choosing from who you get your views from as far as how your audio sounds. So when Marcel said it sounded pretty good, I was like, well, he YouTube streams. He keeps it pretty much at the same level on audio. And, you know, if you're not at my audio level, you're either low or high, that kind of thing. That's the same way I am. I'm like at like audio 20. If I'm over that, your mic's a little low. If I'm under that and you're overwhelming, your mic's probably a little high, you know, that kind of thing. So I pick and choose, but I don't ever get to hear mine. So it's great to hear some feedback. Oh no,
So this is
Marcel's got
setting
no audio.
This
Oh,
is
there
setting
you go.
1, and setting 1 is pretty much like what I've been using every time I stream.
It sounds like you're using your cam mic. Sounds like it's
Yeah.
coming from your cam mic.
This is setting 2.
Oh,
There you
setting 2 is way better
perfect.
than 1.
That's perfect.
All right, then I'll just use this one then. Weird.
Try
Is
setting
that,
3.
is that the only settings you got? 1 and 2?
I just have 2 settings.
Yeah.
That sounds a
Setting
little
2
better.
sounds way better. It's more stereo. You get
Go
that
down to your cam and mic on
echo kind
StreamYard
of
and see
effect.
if you're using your
Reverb.
mic. You might be using your
I
cam
don't
mic.
have a mic, so my options are my laptop mic or my new camera mic.
Okay.
That's
All right.
about or whatever you got right now.
My new camera starts doing this and like blacks out on me and makes acid trips happen later on in the stream. So it was a $30 HD camera that I thought would be good off Amazon, which now I'm realizing is probably crapping out.
Yeah.
Hey, Rat.
Okay.
It probably doesn't
It's
even
C922.
so it's
What's up,
probably
Rat?
new USB
It's
port.
like $80, but it's worth it for a camera microphone. Even yeah, the camera's great, but the microphone on it's cool too.
Yeah, dude.
For the C922.
So I
If you don't want to buy a full microphone, you know what I mean. Which is kind of weird because you just like sent me like $50 for a microphone, and you're still using a camera microphone. So it's kind of. So I guess I'm gonna have to send that $50 back.
No.
You fucking buy a microphone now.
No, it won't happen.
You know what I mean? I just feel obligated to send you something back to buy you a
No!
microphone.
Don't do that. Don't do that because I owe you.
I know.
Last
I know.
person last person you sent me, I sent you money and it failed.
Play resistance.
No way. You want you
I
can send
try
me
to
some
resist, man.
more cartridges. You can do that. Those vape cartridges any day. You can keep sending those like.
Oh, dude, the club that I got them from closed down for like 2 weeks, so they're going recreational.
I don't do acid.
Medical.
Right.
So we'll still have the cartridges available, and they're still probably be at the same price. But I'm curious as to what our difference is between recreational and medical is going to be. But they're supposed to be open like next week, so
Right.
the cartridges still. I just sent a few of those over to New York. He's like, "Oh, dude, those are nice." Yeah. So, yeah, they've been working good for me, and try to keep on. Those are the best cartridges I found.
All right. Screwdriver.
Let's build
We
something.
got the agitators back here.
I'll agitate you, all right. Stick it where the sun don't shine. Yeah, so it's a 2. This one's a 2. So, what's the last thing you 3D printed, Mike?
I printed a cup holder, or what was that thing I printed? I printed some cup holders, and then I did something else. What was it? Oh shit! Oh, I printed a 6-cone, 1.5 cone. You know, like the raw cones.
Yep.
I printed a 6-cone holder, so you just drop the cones in and fill them up.
Right.
It was for my grower.
I'm slicing one right
He
now.
was like, "Dude, I need that." I was like, "All right, I go home and print it up tonight. I'll bring you back one tomorrow."
I've got a big
That
ass
was the
octopus.
last thing
I
I
articulated one down.
I'm slicing one right now. I'm doing that pirate sword. Pirate sword.
All right.
Dude, there's so many long prints I'd like to get into. So many.
So
I'm like, I want to print something else on, man. And the long prints are like, oh, dude, you gonna get the time I printed up for that much time? I don't mind bonding them together for like, like one's like a knife or something, and it's like 3 prints for the bed, but you gotta glue it together and this and that. I'm like, oh, really? That's like a lot more.
70%. Oh, you're doing the crawl. Looks like the crawl.
No, that's those one of those articulated octopuses.
Oh, okay. Cool.
The two guys on the bottom are from Australia. The guy on the left, Night Train, is from Michigan, and I am from Vancouver, BC.
There's nothing like printing something on your printer that has articulating joints that like moves and you print it as it sits on the printer.
Yeah.
I mean, like,
it's my
print it and like flex a little bit, you kick things out.
11 hours. 11 hours for this.
That's crazy shit.
I got 11 hours for this print. Let me.
This big octopus has been going like 16 hours now. And it still hasn't even got to the head. So there's another 5 hours yet with that one.
Nice.
I've got enough rainbow.
Yeah. I just bought 2 more rolls, so I'm pretty much set.
Yeah, I just ordered another 6 rolls, I think. $120 off Amazon.
Nice.
Free postage, just what I like.
So this print is not very mechanical as far as being able to keep it solid, but so this is articulating. So the print, they're printed exactly like it sits.
Yeah.
Like on the bed.
Nice.
But
all right.
Nice.
Steampunk claw.
It's not very strong as far as being able to grip or this or that, but
yeah, but still,
itself is pretty kick-ass.
So you couldn't sell the Batman.
So
I like it. You can sell that puppy.
The Batman?
Yeah, I probably could. It's probably been one of my favorite prints so far.
I think I fucked up on the settings on this, but if I did, I'll just reslice it. Fuck it. I don't care. Well, I do care, but you know.
Right, bud.
There's only 3 parts to it. 3 parts.
That means the house is closed down for the night.
Your house has?
Last one up.
Well, shit.
Yeah, right.
What time is it there? What time is it there?
I'm having another beer.
11:58 p.m. It's almost.
Damn, man. And you gotta go to work tomorrow?
Yeah, I gotta go to work at like 8:30 in the morning, 9:30, something like that. Depends on what time I show up.
Damn.
I got that familiarity and lux that if I show up at 8:30, I'm good. If I show up at 9:30, I'm good. If I'm there before that, I'm all right. Yeah, it's pretty kosher, dude.
Hell yeah.
I
17
get paid by
hours.
the hour, and I'm like the top dog. So
This is gonna be 17 hours. The next part. Fuck.
even if I
much
work
info
half
you use?
days, I get more work done than most of the people that prep. So I'm all
I didn't
good.
look at the meters. I didn't look on the meters. I'll do this one, slice this one, and get the meters off of it. I'm just changing the temp. So yeah, I like that. Infill. That's good. All right.
That stuff will kill you, Mike.
The first part to it will only take me 30 minutes. But the others are going to take me 11 hours, 17 hours. Fuck me.
You think that? Okay.
How big's it going to be?
Wait till I do that.
About like that.
Well,
Yeah, I've been
each
fighting the
part
cold
of the
for
whole
like a
sword.
week and a half. So every time I hit something, I like react.
Oh, the whole sword. Shit.
Yeah.
Probably like that.
Yeah.
You get the whole sword?
The you know, the one that Rojo has?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there
Sick.
you go.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah, I just
What's that, like 3 days worth of printing?
about yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I'm going back to the penthouse tomorrow to fucking do work.
All right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that place that I showed you with the high-rise pictures.
I thought you got done with the hub.
No, I've got some work to do there still.
I was
gotta
gonna
get
do
another router.
the
Still
like
in the song.
wicket sword or whatever, like the miniature or whatever for what is it, Sauron or some shit. The Hobbit sword.
Yeah, it
I was
collapses
gonna do
into
that.
the handle. It collapses
Yeah, I was
into
gonna
the
do that to the handle.
Yeah.
And it was like 24 or 36 hours to print like 3-piece
Yeah.
Hobbit sword. So, yeah,
Well, I think I'm going
to.
I think
I need a bigger build plate. That's all there is
Yeah,
to
see you,
it.
Ryan.
see you, Ryan. Take care, man.
Thanks, Ryan.
I think I'm gonna print the Druid first.
The Druid.
Yeah, the one that
What
you
Druid?
made. The
That's a
Druid. Druid.
I was gonna say, what the frig?
This one is 17 hours and it's 50 meters.
Yeah. 17 hours, 50 meters.
Oh, the pit droid.
I got enough. Huh?
Yeah, the one I looked at.
It's quite a bit of material, though, 50 meters.
Yeah, the one
the
I looked
picture-
at had a base on it. That's not right.
Had a what?
That's got to be
Nice.
low support.
I was standing on the base. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You'll need supports on that puppy. This one is just comes in like my my ships did. That you had to take them off of the template and
Yeah.
comes in pieces and then you put it together.
Which one was that? Oh, I must have missed
The
that one.
pit Druid.
Yeah, there's a few. Druid now.
I can send it to you. Hold on. I'll send
Why
it
do
to
you keep saying Druid?
He said Druid first, then Droid, then he went Druid.
Shut up. Fucker's starting on me already. Jesus.
Oh, but I don't even know what he's printing now. He's printing so much shit, he's like, oh, what am I printing?
That's right.
Yeah, that's you.
Good.
Yeah, it's that
I
one,
haven't
man.
got enough printers.
I'm getting bored.
I'm just printing some shit. I don't even know.
I can't wait till my dual extruder one gets here.
Your dual extruder?
Oh,
Yeah, I got one of that one off Kickstarter, the IDEX. Was it the Woohoo one?
Is it done yet?
We do. Yeah,
Is it
yeah,
off the
they posted
Kickstarter?
out them. Yeah, they posted out to America first. But there's a fair
I've
few
been
of them
thinking
got
about
already.
upgrading my ender to a dual extruder, but there's so much tension that's put on the fucking x-axis to like put a second extruder on there.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? Because they don't have the second drive. It's all one
Yeah.
drive from one side. So when you put on the extruder, it adds that weight.
yeah.
There
So-
you go, Steve. There you go, Steve.
Oh, cheers, mate.
I'm worried about it dipping down for like the level, that kind of shit, you know?
Yeah. See the sword test print, man. That's what shits me. Yeah, I need that part. So yeah, I'll do that too.
Do it up. Do it up.
I'm gonna do the small one first. Fuck it.
Just do it, Tim. Stop talking about it.
Just do it, man. Just do it. Just fucking do it, bro.
Get it done.
Come on, bro. Just do it.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Right, what are you doing? Get in here, buddy.
Yeah, right.
FPV, are you still in the house? Where'd Joel FPV go? Joel's FPV.
All right, boys. I'm off here.
Good night, buddy.
I got too much cough and this and that going on the stream.
Coughing.
We'll call it a night and see how long we last.
Take care, man.
Have a good night, Mike.
Take care, all.
Who's leaving?
Yeah, mate.
Oh, Mike's leaving. Oh yeah,
Mike.
he's got to get up.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
He's a funny one.
It's only 9 o'clock for me, so I'm not too worried about going to bed anytime soon.
This is my Friday night. I'm not going to bed anytime soon either.
Right?
Yeah.
I still got them ribs to make. Then I got to eat them.
Did you ever end up coming up with any drone video that you made from your footage, Tim?
No, it fucked. It's yeah. Yeah. That was a letdown. I got pictures at least.
Oh, really? Let's see the pictures. Can you share them?
They're on my Facebook.
Can you
I
share
put them on there about a week ago.
Oh, I've seen those ones, yeah.
Yeah, I tried to do a sunset, but the storm was coming in. I'm trying to get a good one, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so maybe I can get one tonight. I don't know. I'll put the bird up tonight. Where's share screen? Share screen. All right, can you see him?
I can almost now. Yes.
All right. See the storm coming in.
Oh, it makes it really small.
Storm coming in right there. That's
Yeah. Yeah.
The sun's behind it, but that was pretty cool. I like how it illuminated. Then you got it over Black Mountain.
So, what
Very
mic
good.
systems do you use, you guys? Because once I get my keyboard for my monitor, I'm not going to have a mic unless I use my laptop.
Just buy one from your local shop. They're pretty cheap.
Local shop, he says.
Well, okay, I'll tell you where I got mine. Go online. It's called Umart.
You know.
Umart in Australia. That's where I got mine from.
Yeah. They got a site?
Yeah. Hold on.
I'll find it though. Yeah. Yeah, so I have to get a boom and everything.
Well, it comes with the stand like this. So you can put it right on your desk. Well,
Oh,
if
yeah.
you get a mic like mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's that screw go? Anyway.
I I'm still got to work out. I'm going to set mine up.
FPV Joel, about your print temperature solving warping and making elephant's foot worse. No, what your issue there is your bed leveling. And you just have to really go through and make sure you level your bed like once or twice, if not 3 times sometimes, and slowly adjust it. Don't make huge increasements, and really spend a few minutes just leveling your bed and making sure that your print's going to print nice on your first layer. Your elephant's foot usually happens because one corner of the bed is a little higher than the other, and when you try to print it, it just keeps printing that same layer over and over because the height is screwed up on it.
Yeah.
That's my first.
Could also be a draft coming in through your printer there.
The draft will do it. I wouldn't change the tempo on his bed. If it worked with other prints, it might be like Steve said, a draft.
Yeah, I don't think a draft would change anything on elephant's foot. Elephant's foot is basically a rounding of the corner of the foot of the edge. So the edge, like say like this edge here, won't turn out really nice and sharp. It'll actually, because it's printed upside down, it actually makes it rounded edge and like makes it like actually like bellows out some.
Yeah.
So it like really
I was
is
talking more on the walking
and over, and it's compressing that one area.
Yeah, I was talking more about the walking side of it there. Pulls off too quick at all.
Oh, the main issue is warping, he says.
There you go. It's in private chat, Steve.
Oh, okay. Cheers, mate.
Yep.
Yeah, the warping can also happen as well. He clicked the link and he took him away from StreamYard.
Yeah, it did, didn't it? Shit.
You got to right click and open it in a new browser window or whatever.
Oh, yeah, that's what I usually do. Yeah. They got plenty of mics here, man. Umart was good because it all over Australia. You click the link.
Gotcha, bitch.
Use another browser, brother. They got plenty in stock, man, right now.
Yeah.
They got the Blue Yeti for $289.
The Blue Yeti is what he has, eh?
Yeah.
Nice. I might have to get one, man.
Well, Mike has, yeah. But if you check it out, just put mics in the search tab in Umart, and you'll find a good one, Steve.
So you reckon the Yeti's the best one?
These Yetis are good as hell, man. I can't default them.
Mike's.
Huh?
Mike's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's better than my other one I had, I'll tell you that one. But when I built the system, I wanted good stuff. I didn't want shit stuff.
So this is Australian, did you say, Tim?
Yeah, that's an Australian site.
Shit. Blue Yeti for 139.
Where was that at?
That's the top one. I put in Yeti mics, and it came up 1 to 20 or 58 products, and
you're on the Aussie site. You're on the Aussie site.
I just clicked on the link that you gave me.
Oh yeah,
Is
see
that
it,
right?
139. There you go.
Yeah.
See the second one? That's the one I got.
What that Asus? Oh no, well,
the Blue Yeti, and it's gold. It says gold next to it. That's the one I got, but it's out of stock. 139, you can get that one, and it'll ship to you in 2 days. And Umart, good shipping, man.
Yeah.
Good shit. When they say it's going to be there, it's going to be there. What's up, Rat? How you doing, Rat?
What's going on, guys?
I smell a rat.
Hey,
Rat.
Good, mate. Yourself?
Sitting around, got off work. Marcel harassed me into coming in here.
Harassed hardcore. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's always harassing the hardcore. Let's get your ass in here. Okay, give me a second. Let me turn this shit on.
Right.
Make sure it all works before I fucking try it and then it doesn't work. And I'm fucking with her for 25 minutes. I think it's working. Let's see. Is it working?
And then it's
Moonquad's
just
live? Or Moonquad's live? Moonquad is live. Moonquads are live, boys.
It's
I want a
backwards.
moonquad. Oh yeah, we know it is. We know it is. That's how we
say
work
that
it
again.
back.
I didn't hear you the first time.
But it's not backwards.
Yeah.
Though.
Moonquads.
But it's not backwards.
Yeah, we do things backwards here. You know, we got to do
But
that.
it's not backwards. I'm so confused tonight.
I don't know, man. 2 hours left. I hope I have enough filament. Fuck.
That's the worst. I had a print where I got almost all the way to the end, and I had literally about like
Backwards?
2 half to filament.
Oh, I'm fine. 3.53 meters, so I got it.
You're fine.
You got it? You sure?
I got it.
You got it.
I got it. I
You'll be
got
happy,
it.
Marcel. It's not backwards this time. I got the YouTube channel open. It's not backwards.
But I wanted to be
I went and looked
backwards.
at the live feed.
What I expected was backwards. Now I don't know where to go.
I'll be right back, guys.
All right.
I'm so stoked I get to finally get these things built and done. I have to buy 2 receivers, 1 for each, and all it is an FR Sky receiver with a 6-channel. Plug in the servo motors, plug in the battery, which is right here. So I got 2 of these suckers, and Rat is frozen. But yeah, so once this is all put together, that all runs.
Hell yeah. Scheduled time, bitch. Fuck off there with that shit.
I think it goes-
Bloody thing's trying to restart on me. It's like, no, you're not going to.
What?
I don't know. I just turned it on. I don't know why it wants to restart. It must have been an update on Windows today. Oh, well. What are you putting together now, Marcel?
These are these little micro droids from the Star Wars thing.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I remember this whole thing.
Just trying to remember which way I'm supposed to mount these wheels. I think I might go this way. No, that's too tight.
This thing made out of PLA? Or is
Yep. Yeah, just PLA.
Seems a little solid against the table.
Yeah, it's like a little RC car, so it's not really meant for outdoor, staying in the sun type of thing anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to build one of these little Pet Tech drift cars.
Drift car, yeah.
Yeah, the guy from Pet Tech had showed everybody how to use a 4-in-1 ESC, 4 motors, and a flight controller. You can build a little 4-wheel drive drift car with it.
Yep. You can get them pretty small.
Yeah, I was like, I want to build one of those. That's pretty cool.
You can get a little Emax one, I think it is. The tiny, not the Interceptor, but the smaller one. It's like
This thing's
literally
like
this big. It's super tiny.
tiny.
Takes a little 1S battery. And these are the TPU tracks that I printed for it. So these are just the wheels, the tracks that go around it. I gotta remember.
Oh, they're using the track style. Oh no, they're little. Oh, I know. I see what they're doing now. It's glitching on it.
Well, I think I need another beer.
Gonna get one.
Shit.
Now everyone talk at once now.
Oh, okay. I'm too busy looking at microphones.
What is it?
It's gone dead quiet here.
Yeah, it did. I think they all died.
Yeah. No, there's no background. Oh, no, Marcel's taking his mic off. Turned it off.
What the hell?
Yeah, there's a lot of background noise at Marcel's.
Oh,
Where's my mic off?
it's usually not that bad.
Yeah, I just went real quiet and then looked. Yeah, Marcel's turned his microphone off. So we'll see if when he comes back.
Aileron. Oh, it was pretty noisy for a second there.
Here we go.
Nope.
Yeah,
nope,
hear it?
Not ain't too bad.
Nope, it ain't me.
Try to keep it
Nope.
down.
Sometimes you
Yeah, I was
just got
saying,
No,
it sounds like just wind,
Yeah, you
wind
hit the
going through
robot
Marcel.
wind.
Yeah, when you turned your mic off, everything just went dead before. I'm like, what happened?
Because I was saying you
Most of
guys
your
don't talk.
Yeah.
Gotta
Just,
keep the show going.
well, I was looking at microphones.
Hold on.
I was about to ask you a question,
Oh,
but you turned it
microphone.
off. Yeah,
What's up with
I've got to get
microphone?
one. I'm looking at the Blue Yeti. This
Okay.
one's a Blue Yeti 3, but it says capsule USB microphone, blackout, whatever that is. And the other one, that's 188. And the other one's a Blue Yeti Nano USB microphone, grey. What's the difference there?
I have no idea about microphones, to be honest.
Nano USB, the other one.
I mean, USB is better as long as it's 3.0. If it's not 3.0, it's not the newer version of, then it's not the greatest.
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah. The microphone
I'll find out, yeah.
I bought, it was like $23. Seems to work okay. I hope it does.
It sounds good. I can hear you.
Yeah. And
Uh,
it's like
that's what's good.
about arm's length away from me, so it ain't too bad.
My fucking desk is a mess. I got 3 Amazon packages all on the road today. Different hardware, servos,
Oh god.
filament.
Oh
I
god.
got some black TPU. Can't wait to use. It's gonna be bad. I'm gonna print a lot of cool props that you can just like hit people with and they just bend.
Yeah.
So, Marcel, this says system requirements. It says USB 1.1, 2.0, 3.0. So that'd be
Yes.
right, you know?
That's good, yep.
Yeah, okay.
A lot of new stuff you buy nowadays is going to be ready for 3.0, but if you buy a lot of shit from Banggood, it's not going to.
Yeah,
Cheap
if you get it
company.
off Amazon, it'll be Amazon will be good, Banggood, you'll
You'll be banged good.
If it works from Banggood, it'll be a miracle.
I've got some
Like it.
stuff off them and everything's worked. So,
I've got some stuff, but I tried to order a mic from them first, and it was just garbage. Like as soon as I plugged it up, it was just like feedback loop and stuff. I was like, what the hell? I got looking at it and was like, oh Jesus Christ, this thing's meant to be plugged into like a soundboard on a stage, not a computer. I just bought it.
Ribs in the oven.
It's just right here. You can actually see it. There it is. What's that thing?
Can't
That
see it.
microphone
Your
right-
cam sucks.
yeah.
Yeah, it's just a
Oh, now it's
simple.
it.
Yeah, this was like $32. Came with a little metal stand. Works good. It's got a cool echo feature, boy. It's echo. I was like, all right, cool.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testes.
Testicles, 1, 2, 3.
Testes, testes.
Oh my
1,
God.
2, 3.
Got him going there.
But yeah, I just bought it. It's just simple
works.
mic, and it's like
I can echo too.
Yeah.
Echo. No, maybe not.
Echo
And
Smith.
it's the
Nah,
mute
fuck the
button.
echo.
It's got a mute button right on the mic.
Yeah, that's what mine does. Right on the face of it has
Yep.
a.
It's basically like one of those mics, those nice ones you buy, but it's like the $32 version.
Yeah, well, this mic I'm buying the name
Yeah. You're buying $100 names, which you buy. I'll bet
Yeti.
$23. Yeah, it looks like a Yeti. Take the foam head off of it. It just looks like one, but it's not.
I would like to get that thing, what the spit guard and everything for it, but I was like, nah, fuck it.
It's not a spit guard, it's a pop filter.
Yeah, fuck it.
Keep
Pop
the
filter.
pop.
I don't need it.
I'm using a foam. I'm using a foam. It works pretty good. As long as it does that, I can play it. I was on a
The only thing
really
I can see
poor.
the difference between the Nano USB and the other one is a mute button on it. That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's the difference in some of them. Some of them don't have a mute button.
Yeah,
And it's
But,
good to have that.
mute button.
Yeah, I was just
kinda
looking at.
handy.
I was just looking. There was another one there, Tim. The Yeti 3 capsule USB, whatever that means. But
Yeah.
that one's got the mute button. And the one I was looking at was Nano USB.
But remember, you want Omni control too. Like Omni, I have this button on the back. I can go from Omni to front. Like I can push the button and you can only hear in front. Like if I have a printer behind me, I can click that button. But if I want it all around me, Omni, just press it again. And now the sound, I can be back here and you can still hear me.
Yeah. This one I bought, the $32 version one I bought, you just change it. You grab the mic and you do this to it.
Yeah, you showed us last time. Yeah.
You force it down and it turns it into a directional microphone then instead of an Omni. If I step off to one side, you can't hear me.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's like it built it into the gyro on this one. They put a gyro little switch in it.
That's good when you have children. So if you have children, you wouldn't want to select Omni.
No.
Because it'll pick them up. Believe me.
Or a TV behind you.
Yes. Pick up everything in the room.
So, Tim, this says capsules too. What's that?
Capsules? I don't understand what capsules mean. I don't understand that.
But it's got patterns, cardioid and Omni.
Well, that's good.
Omni,
Okay.
yeah.
Is that a
maximum
Yeti?
resolution. Yeah, that's a Yeti. That's that $139 one.
Oh, Jesus.
I mean, look at it.
Maximum resolution, 24-bit, 48 kilohertz. That's about all the info it's got on it.
You got 24-bit sound quality, plug and play operation.
Okay. That's not bad.
What Windows are you using? Are you using Windows 7 and above?
Yeah, I've got 10, mate.
There you go. You got USB 3.0 and 2.0?
I got 2 on one side and only got 2 on one side, yeah.
Okay. Now you should be fine.
Tell the difference what got.
3.0 is just better quality. It's
Yeah, but can you see any difference?
no,
No, okay.
no, not really. No, just get a just get a USB hub because you're probably going to need it.
Yeah, I was thinking about that. What, they got them here too, have they?
Yeah, they do. Any J car, any big W, any yeah.
Oh, you're messing around.
Yeah, I meant on UMart.
Yeah, I got you.
Umart, yes, they do.
Yeah, I know.
Anything to do with the computer, Umart has. I got this whole setup from Umart.
Hell yeah.
Everything. I built this computer from Umart.
I've never heard of Umart.
I spent a lot of money at Umart.
Yeah, Yeah.
I should get stock in the damn company.
No doubt. They're one of the largest shipping companies in Australia, man. That's why.
Umart
They're
is.
basic. Yeah, they're basically the Amazon of Australia.
Well, pretty much, yeah, pretty much.
That's basically what Umart is. Because anytime I need it, anytime my uncle asks me about technical, like computer stuff around his house and cameras and stuff, I go there.
Yeah, you're really low now.
Yeah, turn your mic up, bro.
Rat, you're really low now.
I need to speak up.
Well, speak up, damn it.
I'm speaking up, you sons of bitches. But yeah, anytime my uncle wanted something like that, electrical or something there, electronics and stuff, I would always go on that site. He's like, "Why do you always go there?" I was like, "Dude, they're right there in Australia. Half the time the shipping's free, bud." And he's like, "Oh, okay." I was like, "You wouldn't want to fucking paper. You wouldn't want to pay for me fucking shipping something from the United States. Fuck that."
Yeah, that's good.
That'd be
$20. Wish we could get free. Yeah,
well, I mean,
if
I order from the United States and ship it into Australia, it tells me I get free shipping.
Oh, there you go.
Weird.
See, yeah. I got this one. That's the webcam. I got a pretty good mic on this webcam.
Yeah.
But it's one of the best ones around. I got two of them, but the one that I got before is an Aver Media.
Mm-hmm.
And I got that from, let me try to find that. But I got that from Umart too. This one. This is my second camera I got, but this is the first one. I liked it because right there you can slide that over the camera. That was the first one I got, and then all my buddies are like, "Oh, you need the 922." I was like, "Yeah, it's more money." And he goes, "Nah, you'll sound or look better." I was like, "Yeah, nothing will help this." And
yeah,
yeah, but it's a good one though.
It looks like a good camera. I'm just using a GMAC action camera, like USB inside of it. It came on a camera. I was like, "Fuck yeah."
Well, see, I was going to let Umart build it, but I haven't built a computer in 20 years. So a buddy of mine came up here and built it, and I watched him. It all clicked back. So my next computer, I'm building myself, and that'll probably be a little bit better than this.
They're pretty simple to put together, man. I build a bunch of them all the time for people.
Oh yeah, I built heaps when I was younger.
Well, like there's a few friends in New York City.
Last trip.
They go, oh Jesus, he's gonna kill somebody.
Camera's freaking out.
Yeah. I build the business forum style computers for a few friends of mine. They messing around on Wall Street. I'll put them together and they'll ship me the shit and I'll put it together for them and ship it back to them. And they're like, guys, you could do this yourself. They're like, no, let's let you do it. I just want to turn it on, turn it off. I'm like, okay.
Then you won't know your own computer. That's stupid.
They don't do that. They're Wall Street guys, man. They're just making money, man. They get them sitting around in a room.
Hey,
and they're constantly
I could have done that.
Yeah,
I could have done that. I could have went down to Harvey Norman and bought a fucking nice ass computer.
Yep.
Huge. I wanted to know it myself, and I know everything that's in this damn thing. So
there you go.
I love when you buy a package of assorted screws and bolts from Amazon. And mix it together.
Yeah.
You gotta spend fucking 10 minutes fucking sorting everything.
Ain't that a cunt move? That's a cunt move.
see, Night Train is straight.
Oh yeah, that's a straight cunt move. Oh, that's a cunt move. Oh, these sons of bitches. Oh, I'd be pissed. I just take a picture of that and be like, you better ship me one all fucking sorted, you cunts.
See, Night Train uses his mic is straight USB too.
Yeah.
Night Train, go to bed.
Is he still on?
Still out.
He's on his last sip.
Sure.
I remember saying this.
Are your eyes? Can you hold? Is he eyes? Did he achieve eye opening again?
Yeah.
I remember in some lives I'll be like, I'm done after this beer.
Yeah. An hour later.
I said that a lot.
No.
Fuck, I used to say that a lot. Yeah, I'll be done after this beer. Next beer.
I 5 hours later. That's why I quit drinking.
Uh-huh.
I'm the same with doobies.
Oh, son of
I came on Marcel's a couple times drunk as. Oh, I was pissed.
Yeah, we had a
Woo.
hilarious time. Only a couple of those streams got banned.
only a couple of them.
Who's that guy in Australia, man? He's drunk as a nit.
Oh, I was pretty drunk on one of them too.
Oh,
Yeah, you were. Yeah, you were. That was funny. That was a good one. I think we were all drunk one night.
Yeah.
Sean was drinking something. I forget what the hell it was. I think it
That
was
was
funny.
pretty close to New Year's, though. I think that was like pretty close to the holidays. It's a lot
Man,
of-
your body tells you, bro. I'm serious.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah, if you start pooping water, you know you got a problem.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I just got
It's like-
tired of. I got tired of waking up in a hospital and went, how'd I get here?
My
Wait a minute, whoa. There's like
My
apparently my
problem
doctor
was-
was like, you better stop drinking, boy. 'Cause you're drinking
My
yourself
problem
almost
was-
into comas every time. I'm like, all right, I better quit drinking. Jesus.
My problem was I drank a lot of fucking beer, but I didn't eat. I didn't take vitamins. I didn't take nothing.
Oh.
So I would live on water during the day, but at nighttime I was drinking again. That was the worst thing. I didn't eat
So
for like up to 6 days.
so hey Tim,
Look at that.
this white Nalgene bottle used to be my moonshine bottle.
Hey, there you go. I drank moonshine.
Like it stayed full until about noon, and it would be empty.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'll take a picture of the cans that took me 2 weeks. How much I drank in 2 weeks of my holidays. I'll take a picture of the bags outside in the trailer ready to take off.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take a picture of that, and I'll show you how much I drank in just 2 weeks.
I could
I
imagine.
usually go
I
through a
used to
block in
drink.
3 days, 3 or 4 days.
Yeah.
30
I had a
odd
block done in a day.
Jesus Christ.
I seen that when you showed us that picture or the live. I think it was a live stream.
Yeah,
cans
all the
sitting
beer.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit, man! I thought
Oh,
I was bad.
Hey, I can drink an alcoholic under the table. I'm telling
Right.
you. Oh yeah, I've done it out in Mount Isa a couple times. The guys out there, they're like, "We ain't drinking with you anymore." I was like, "Come on."
Yeah.
Bar tab was fuck $600 one night. That's just beer.
That was per
Yeah.
person.
Yeah, I had to quit drinking.
It got so bad. The boss used to come out on away trips with me, and he goes, "I'm not leaving a bar tab or getting a bar tab." I was like, "Why?" He goes, "Every time I'm with you, you drink the bar tab." I was like, "Oh, you suck."
You're no fun.
Yeah.
I stick smoking marijuana. It's safer.
Yeah.
But I'm a fun drunk though. I'm not like a violent drunk or a fucking pissant, you know. I'm not like that. Hey, Maker Viking, how are you?
Make a Viking. Come on in, buddy. The weather's fine.
Yeah.
Somebody left the
Hey, Micah.
Yeah, we leaving the doors open again, man. I'm sorry.
Man, hey Marcel, those are some small ass parts for that droid.
These are M3s.
No, I'm saying for the droid that I'm making that
Oh, yeah. You can resize it. I printed mine at 300% scale.
300. All right.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's super small. But yeah.
I upscaled it a little bit, but them parts, Jesus, they're looking small. Hopefully, well, they will get bigger, but god damn. I need a fucking microscope. Put it together. It's not a wing fighter. That wing fighter was easy to fucking put together.
What the?
Yeah.
What is that doing?
I did that Millennium Falcon. That was pretty cool.
There we go. There we go.
And that's the first thing I'm doing when I get this printer that I won. I'm going to make a big ass Millennium Falcon.
Yeah, you should. I'm thinking about doing it too.
There
There's
we
a
go.
really nice file for it.
Yeah. Well, if I get that Sobol 3, I'll be able to do it. Helmets, big ass helmets.
Yeah,
There you
helmets.
go. Oh yeah,
I'm thinking about
Mandalorian,
doing some helmets too soon.
dude. You want to do a Mandalorian helmet? I got a screenshot of one I'd like to get printed out.
Oh, if you got an STL file, yeah, send it my way.
I'll get it SD'd. I guarantee I can do that. I know somebody.
Yeah.
Well, the Soval 3 takes Prusa slicing, so I gotta download that. I gotta download the new slicer for this other one that's coming. Kura, the other one, the
I'm
one
just
that
sticking to. I do make a Cura. This does everything.
That's what this one that I won. That's what runs that Kura. So I never used it, but I'll try it
Yeah,
out.
I have no. It's easy as mate. Even
Yeah.
I can use it.
Awesome. It's the one I use on everything.
Okay, cool.
What do you use, Marcel?
Cura.
Yeah. Even I can work it. So it's
Yeah, it's pretty
easy.
simple. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
like
pretty
me.
simple. I got a few
Damn,
friends.
man.
I got a
You
few
didn't have
friends that
to
mess
agree
with
to
me.
him, rat.
Well, I know a few people and I've played with all that stuff. I used to
make
work
a-
in a machine. I grew up with a grandmother that had a machine shop in the backyard, man. We had a vertical mill, two horizontal mills that were like, one was like 14 feet long, and the other one was like 10 feet.
Damn,
And then
640.
we had two huge vertical mills with 1,000 millimeter platforms cutting area. They'd move around in their own space. Then I purchased a CNC machine from a
I like them.
basically it was from a lab, and they were cutting aluminum with it all the time, and they ruined all the steel bits cutting the aluminum, and they couldn't figure out how to buy the right bits, so they sold the machine. I got it for like 18 grand. It was basically a 2 foot by 2 foot style CNC, fully enclosed machine, basically like that 3D printer you have behind you, Tim. But it would take up that
Yeah, I
whole
know.
wall. It would take up that whole wall.
It's probably like the one I used in school, CNC.
Probably, yeah.
Same one.
It was an old push button program, and then stand there with the fucking thing and type in the damn number one. It's an older model.
Yeah.
It's not a newer one. But I learned my grandpa. That's what he did. So that's what we did. Every chance I got to work in a machine shop, I worked in one. Every job I've had, mechanic jobs or anything like that, we got preschooling. You know how they are in the States, Tim. Fuck, you work in a shop here in the States and as a mechanic, and it's a good shop, they'll send you to schools all over the damn country to learn shit.
Yeah.
If you're a good employee.
I worked in a machine shop for 3 years.
Yeah,
and that's how I learned everything. Actually.
Yeah. So me and a friend of mine, when we were younger, we basically we went into working in a bunch of machine shops up in Detroit and in Pittsburgh. There's a bunch of large.
You worked in Pittsburgh?
Yeah, in Pittsburgh Machine. One of the largest
I know where that
machine
is.
shops in. Yeah, it's one of the largest ones in the country, man. There's 200 vertical mills that are 10 foot tall in that building.
It's an hour and a half away from my hometown, Reading.
Ready? Okay.
That's my hometown.
Yeah, you was right there. Yeah. But yeah, it was like just crazy, man. We worked in those two machine shops for about 5 years each, 5 years in one and 5 years in another one. And the foreman's in one of the shops was like, "Why are you guys doing this?" He's like, "Man, later in life when we're older, we know we can walk in one of these older shops and we can run it. Like, we know we can run it because we were.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
We were the guys that got all the high. We got all the. We basically got all the titanium work from people, stainless steel, carbon steel, chromoly steel work. Like we was machining hard metals, and we was the ones that were figuring out how to do it without tearing a machine up. And that takes time. Because I've seen a guy put a piece of titanium block, ingot block, 12-inch by 12-inch ingot block in a vertical mill, and 20 minutes later that machine's on fire because they're trying to run it too fast and dig too deep or something. Basically burn a machine up. Because they think they know what they're doing, and they really just went to a school that was some random school. The hell, everybody die?
No. My,
Oh,
I think Marcel's turned his mic off again, hasn't
no, he killed the calm.
he? He's gone.
Did he kill it all?
Yeah, I'm just
No.
checking out the UMark store.
there's-
Got to get a USB hub
This
and the
fucking
microphone.
camera's a piece of shit.
Oh, it's a piece of shit. Oh, he's mad at it.
Oh, shit. That's why he turned it off. He was
Marcel.
swearing too much.
No, my camera is failing on me. I think I have to buy a new camera.
Uh-oh. That
All right.
sucks.
I mean, it's a $30 camera off Amazon. It says it does HD, but it's poop in the bed.
Oh no.
Maybe. I mean, does it plug up through USB or is it a
Yep.
change out its cord? Or you've probably done that already. So
Yeah, I've done it.
Wait a minute. I know he already goes. What the fuck? He's probably plugged in 20 cords, that motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm running off a really shitty laptop, so that doesn't help the game.
Oh, that does help. Yeah. I have some of those. Probably like the computer I was using a couple weeks ago. My HP Stream notebook little thing. Says it had 2 gigs of RAM, was running on 1 gig of RAM, and 36 gigs of hard drive. That thing, whew, I did.
So you finally going to bed, Mike?
Yeah, right. He'll be on the stream later. He'll be joining again.
Yeah.
Good night, buddy.
Night train.
Man, I'm gonna smoke the biggest joint after I do this.
Just to get the fucking
So
goddamn
annoying.
tension down. Fucking
I'm doing it
picking
through
up
the
screws.
measuring device. I'm just going by eyeball.
Oh, fuck that.
It's working pretty good.
Yeah. They're just they're all different lengths. So.
We don't have a joint just yet.
Well, I've already smoked about 3 of them, but I'm saying I need another one soon.
Yeah.
Damn it, that one's smaller though. That one go over here.
Yeah.
Well, there's a joint. I just smoked the whole joint myself. Had to grab a shot.
Doobie doobie doo.
Oh man, it's been so
Yep.
cold here. You can't fly mini quads.
Is it really? Shit.
Oh man, dude, like I tried to fly the other day and I barely nicked a little limb out there, and it just completely
That sucks.
killed an ethics prop, an S4 prop. Just blew it off at the hub. I was like, yep, it's too cold.
Damn.
I'm glad I wasn't going real fast. I was like kind of moving along kind of slow, and the snow had melted off in that area. But when I walked out there, it was like the prop was everywhere. It was like one way over there, and the hub was like gone. I was like, damn. I was like, I give up. We'll let it warm up. Give the quads a break for a week or two. All the
Your
batteries.
mic's drifting off again, bud.
It's jerking off.
No, drifting off.
I was drifting off to the side a little bit. Maybe I can turn the mic a little. Let's see if this helps it. Did that help it?
That helps a little, huh?
Oh yes. I was on the
Just a
edge of the
little.
gate. I was on the edge of its window.
Just yell at us, man. Just yell at us.
I'm sorry, I get calm
Yeah.
and I get all talking low.
It's gonna not wake
It's
the
a
baby.
bad habit.
Don't wake the baby.
That too, probably.
Fuck yeah. I'm almost done.
Woohoo!
Almost.
Go.
Kick
Kick
it.
it there.
Kick it in the
Go,
ass.
Marcel.
Bobby. Kick it. Kick it in the ass.
I'm always good at sorting things when I was a kid.
Chilly tonight here, boys. It's chilly. Let's see what the temperature is here in the high mountains of
I
Colorado.
want chili.
Ugh.
You got chili for me?
No, wrong kind of chili.
Aw.
It's
I
cold.
love
It'd be
chili.
cold outside. It'd be cold
Yeah, I'm
outside.
hungry.
Ooh, God, that's cold. Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Doobie time is coming. Doobie time is almost.
Anybody want to trade me temperatures?
I'll trade you temperatures.
I got -7.
I'll trade you time zones.
Hey, I've got 35 degrees. What's that? 67.
-7 degrees.
I'll trade you time zones.
That's -7 in Celsius, guys. I'm not like the rest of the humans on the planet, or like some of the humans on the planet. Okay.
Yay! I did it. Wait, my camera's still not fucking doing this.
I've got 96
It
degrees
seems-
here at the moment.
I'd prefer that way much better than what I've got right now. Oh, here, let's check this one. Here's the most important part of the situation here. So I'm at 7. I'm at almost 8,000 feet, and we have a wind coming out of the northwest at 10 miles an hour. Dew point of -22. Ooh.
Dab
With,
session.
26% humidity.
I like how Night Train says, "I'm off to bed," and then oi,
Yeah,
dab session.
Oh,
He's getting off.
dab session.
He's not getting off. Just getting
Making
off.
jealous.
Dude, come on, man. Have some class.
Come on, man.
Let's get
There we go.
kicking off.
Let's make him jealous. Look at that. Look at that.
Getting
Honey
off
yellow.
on
Trying to
stream.
say shush.
Just rubbing it out.
Is he getting off as in dab session, or is he getting off
I
the
have no clue.
stream?
Getting it off, I think.
Getting it off. Yeah, Mike's a cool guy. I like him.
Yeah, he's hilarious. It's pretty funny when he's drunk.
Yeah, Night Train's cool as hell. He's a good person. He's a good human.
All right.
Wait,
Where is the-
funny dude.
Now it's time to roll a nice big fat joint.
Hopefully this world goes back to a normal. Hopefully. There you go, buddy. There you go. Oh, I might as well. No, I'll just do this.
Yep. Today was an amazing day, like plus 12 degrees here. No snow, beautiful sun and cloud. It was
It's nice.
an amazing day to fly drones.
Oh yeah. Nice day. Yeah, it was windy and 21 Fahrenheit all day. Kind of sucked.
Too hot and too windy.
Water. All kinds of water right here. Ooh. Cold water. Everybody needs a Humboldt vape. Yeah, Marcel?
I can't hear you, man.
Said you need a Humboldt
I'm
vape.
not talking.
Everybody needs one. Humboldt vape. Oh, yeah, I was kind of mumbling. Everybody needs a Humboldt vape. Come on, you show me my water.
You are still pretty low, though, still.
I was kind of talking low. I was a little talking low there. Sorry, mate.
Oh, Mike, just speak up, eh?
I just being a bloody Mick, I am. I just doing dumb shit, fucking.
You know, just put your lips right on the mic. You'll be fine.
Can you hear me now?
No, not really.
No?
Aye.
Not really?
Sorry, what?
Can you hear me?
Something?
Can I make your balls wingle?
Uh-oh.
You ever
Oh,
play with
Oh,
CBs?
Tim Jackson.
So, have you guys ever sat around and listened to CBs on late night,
CBs.
Channel 19? Yeah, Citizen Band Radios.
Oh, I haven't
CB
for
radio?
years, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't
So
done
back
that
in-
in years.
Well, you probably heard this a few times if you sat around in Australia there. Me and my family members love big base stations. We'd sit around and every
Mhm.
once in a while we'd get on Channel 19 and we'd be like,
It's a gingerbread man, the gingerbread man. Anybody out there? Anybody out there? Anybody out there with a propane truck? I need a propane truck. Can I get me a propane truck? I got this Plymouth size crack rock down here. We need to cook it off today. Can we get that Plymouth? Come on,
Yeah.
boys.
Oh man,
Yeah,
you're talking
it is.
about making people mad.
10-4, rubber ducky.
Come back and be like, so,
Yeah.
anybody got their panties on? Does anybody got their panties on? Because I know I don't have no panties on over here.
Yeah, I heard that. Everyone was just talking shit there.
Oh yeah, we used to wear it out.
Yeah.
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 15,000 watt
Yes.
linears on a CB radio, and half the time we'd either be in the United States, or he was either in the United States or in Ireland at the time.
Yeah.
And I had an uncle in Queensland, Australia, and yeah, CB radios out there go to the moon.
Yeah, they sure do. You get some clear skies.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Tim's checking on his ribs. He's eating them.
Oh, look at this running.
Get it there?
Shit. Rat, what's part of Colorado are you in?
I'm in
Joel was
the central
asking.
part of Colorado. Joel, I'm in Salida, Colorado, buddy. Monarch Ski Resort, Leadville, Cooper's right up the road from me. Probably heard about the chalk cliffs at Mount Princeton. They do that gem hunting show the Weather Channel had for a long time was filmed right, basically, about 25 miles that way on the side of the mountain. I mean, you can see it when I'm flying all the time. Uh-oh.
This is some footage from my Mavic Mini today.
Nice. Those work pretty good, I've seen.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all, really.
Pretty cool. Taking some pretty shots. I'd be going, man, look at that gap between the trees. You go up over and punch down in there, come around and come across the water. Come across the water, go under the bridge, you power loop it a couple times, go up around the tree.
Yeah, I know.
Fly that path so close to the ground you can see the dust whipping up under the quad.
Yeah.
I thought Tim said this year, Mark, was free delivery.
God damn it.
You know, charge me $26 shipping.
That's some bitches.
Yeah. But I don't think I want to take the stuff now. I'll go to Amazon.
Yeah, dude, I'm just like, yeah, Salida, Colorado, dude. I'm like an hour from Denver. Not even an hour if I'm driving. I could take you down to Canyon and go through Canyon City and up through Pueblo, and I'm being in Denver in about 45 minutes.
Hey,
Yeah.
Tim.
Tim and Tim.
Yo.
I thought you said Mark was free shipping.
No, I didn't.
Oh, I thought you did.
It's free shipping if I do it from the United States.
I did. I did more. It wasn't free shipping, but I got express.
I might have been wrong.
Oh,
I could have read it wrong, man.
I did the top shipping cost.
Yeah.
So I did it in like 3 or 4 days. You know what I mean?
Oh wait,
So,
Yeah. I got standard delivery is $26, so that's not too
Okay,
bad.
no,
Yeah.
that ain't bad though.
Because
I'm sorry.
it's going to.
I'm sorry, Mickey. I read it wrong.
What?
It's if I went there and picked it up, I got free. pickup.
Did you go?
Yeah.
That's cool. Mate. That's cool. Yeah, I got a
BBR.
microphone and a 7-port hub.
Yep.
2 charging ports and 26 shipping for $220.
That ain't bad. Shit.
Oh, that's good.
When did it say it was going to be there?
Standard delivery will probably take a week and a half.
Where's it coming from?
Queensland, I think. I was looking at the stores before, but
It's probably Brisbane or Melbourne. Brisbane or Melbourne.
I didn't say. Yeah, on delivery, it's just got Oz delivery. There's got Queensland, New South Wales. It's got all the shops there, but doesn't say
Yeah.
which one.
Yeah, I got mine mostly from Brisbane. I
Yeah.
got 2 from Melbourne, but I didn't like them. Nah. Took me like a week and a half. The ones from Brisbane took me like
Hey, Mark.
3 days. So
Well, they're only showing Queensland,
that-
New
what's
South
that
Wales
mount-
in their delivery.
I would go Nah.
Where's
well,
that mountain range at,
you're
Marcel?
straight across from Queensland, so I would take Queensland.
Yeah.
But if you have Amazon, do you have Amazon Prime?
Yeah.
Because that's no shipping, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I really was saying before, just before you came back on, I might go to Amazon. It's free shipping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll go and have a look at the prices and that anyway.
Yeah, just compare them before you
Yeah.
actually fucking check out and shit. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Check it
We
out.
got it. Check it
Yeah.
out.
And I heard out in the kitchen, when I was out in the kitchen, I heard Rat say something about channel 19. It's channel
Yeah,
40 over here, bro.
Yeah, I
Channel
know.
Yeah.
40 over there, but 19 here.
Come on, then. breaker, 19.
60.
Then you've probably heard my good friend. Come on,
Yeah.
come on. This is the gingerbread man. Can you hear me? Can you hear anybody out there got a propane truck? I need a propane truck so I cook this Plymouth-sized crack rock with you truckers. Come on, boy. I know you in there fingering your butt in that truck. Come on, boy.
Man, crack.
That you know what? When you hear that, that's probably coming from Ireland at 5,000 watts.
That sure is a big truck right there.
Come on now, boys. Anybody got their panties on? Come on.
Now that's a little bit creepy. I still remember the old song Teddy Bear. I'm old.
Yeah.
There.
There's one.
Teddy Bear about the trucker or the kid. And all the truckers came around to his house.
I have no idea what you're talking
Yeah.
about.
It's a song, but it's sort of like a story, you know what I mean? It's about this kid.
There we go.
He's got cancer or something, I think it was. Good song, but it'll put a tear to your eye.
Put a tear in your eyeball.
You put a tear to your eye, you know what I'm saying? Mhm. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'd been power looping that bridge, man. I'd have probably lost the quad there.
Tiny little gap, yeah.
It's
I
not a
don't-
pedo song, Joel.
I would have lost the quad there. I'd have been swimming to get my quad that day.
Pretty deep there too.
Oh well.
And
I'd been
it's
swimming to get a quad.
and it's deep too. That's what she said.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look, oh, that's my chin.
What you talking about, Willis?
What are you doing,
What you
Willis?
talking about, Willis?
What you talking about, Willis?
You know the hole?
Damn, hour and a half left. And my
Oh,
next
man.
trip is 17 hours.
Yeah, well,
So after this,
26 hours, and after the
after this one, I'm going to purge it, change. And
How long did it take to do RT2? Or how many pieces is the top of that R2 unit?
that big guy,
Yeah, the big one.
fuck, I don't even know, man. Months.
Yeah. That's a lot of printing, man.
Yeah, 611 pieces, and most of them took more than a day.
That's a lot of pieces right there. Mhm.
A lot of bloody pieces.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
My battle droid right now is taking me fucking at least 2 weeks right now. And
Hey,
I'm-
Marcel, when you was in that video there is when you was up in the air, what's that mountain range in the background with snow on it? Is that the Victorias?
question? I can't remember. I have to look it up. You know what mountain range it is? Just give me a second. I'll look.
Is that where Big Sky? Well, not Big Sky, but
No, this is kind of like near Mission BC.
okay, never mind. Yeah, I know where you're at then. Over in the BC area. That's where all my friends mountain bike, man.
Where was Hava? think I'm frozen.
No,
What's going on?
playing here.
No, I'm still good.
Yeah, playing on the yard.
My browser's freezing.
YouTube's been doing that all day. Yeah, YouTube's been doing that all day.
Nah, I don't like YouTube. Nah, I'm just kidding.
What the hell?
Nah.
Why is the computer being an asshole?
Almost done with one rack of ribs. Then I'm gonna have to cook the other rack of ribs.
Jesus.
Oh, they smell so good.
Get peckish, are you, Tim?
Oh, I'm getting peckish. Peckish.
Peckish, a bit of the peckish.
Mm-hmm. Cornholio.
In the video, that's actually Golden Ears and Coquitlam Mountain in the background.
Yo. Dude, you need to go find a way to get to the base of one of those, buddy.
Oh, I like that picture. I like the picture.
Oh, back up. One more. Oh. That one right there.
One more. I like that too. It's like a mirror image. I like that.
So that's Golden Ears Mountain right there.
Yeah, all that
Golden
right there.
ears. How'd you get golden ears when you grab her behind the ears and just never mind? They turn to gold.
Yeah.
How you do?
Yeah. No.
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 I like that right there. I like the mirror image. That looks cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
totally. I wish the water was clear instead of being all marshy and gross.
Look at Joel put, you piss on her ears. Duh, Tim.
That's how you get golden ears.
Golden shower. Piss on that head. Damn, I'm not even drunk. This is funny.
There you go. You can still have fun without being drunk.
Oh, man, you ain't kidding. This funny. I can do that battle drone that you're doing. I can do that on the next one. On the next one.
Fucking totally could.
I'm going to make a Darth Vader hat first. Helmet.
A hat? A Darth Vader hat? That'd be sweet.
Helmet.
Just like a little hat, like with a brim and stuff. Like that. Luke,
The helmet.
father.
What happened to your voice? You're so clear now, Dad.
Oh, shit.
Print's done. Oh, that done.
That was a notification of your print being done?
What the heck is that dong? That must be
That's
Steve.
me.
Must
What?
be Steve. That
Like
dong.
dong?
Did you hear a dong? Dong.
Yeah, that's my Facebook on my phone.
Ah.
Yeah,
I
I
thought the
can't
cookies.
really. I can't really hear it with my headphones on.
Oh, that's
What?
true.
Wait, what?
That's true. That's true.
What's going on? I can't hear it.
Everybody's talking about the CR6. Damn it.
What?
Ah,
CR6.
The popular one, bro.
yeah, it is. Running smooth right from the get-go. How can that happen?
Because it's basically super easy to build. Everything is put it together. The bed is assembled already. Everything like that. It's on its y-axis, and the extruder actually moves Z and X. So it's kind of like it's exactly like an X3, except for it has a stronger and
And it has BL Touch right into it.
yeah, that too.
Yeah.
Expensive. They're expensive though.
549 over here.
Nobody's gonna know.
Everybody
What?
would. Who was that?
That
I don't know.
was my Instagram. It's one of those Instagram videos like you go, nobody's gonna know.
Oh my God, man! You.
Boom, boom, boom.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uh huh.
FPV Joel, you got a video? Share it if you've
Yeah,
followed
man.
the past while. You guys got something in the chat here? Send it on in. We'll do it.
Yeah, come on in, man. Shit. What's up?
Joel,
What's up?
you got a camera. You got a moose. Rip it on in, man. Weather's fine.
Now
Yeah,
rat's
Saturday.
scaring me.
What? Inception.
You're scaring me.
Inception.
Ah!
You can see
Conception.
That's scary.
Conception.
Conception. That was
I never thought Thursday nights would be so busy.
Great.
Yeah. What up with that?
Friday's not doing too bad, eh, Tim?
Nah, it's pretty damn good, man. We'll talk to you about it tomorrow.
Yeah.
So tomorrow on this channel, on my FPV channel, I'm actually doing a giveaway where I'm giving away a bunch of bags of props, 5-inch, as well as 2-inch.
Oh, yeah.
Plus,
I meant to tell you that, Marcel, if I win anything, just send it to Tim. Yeah.
You probably have
And
I
if
got
I
too much
win, just send it to Steve.
Yeah, whatever. I've still got to learn to fly the one I got.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I entered for
I
all
lost.
of it.
Yeah, I lost the instructions somewhere. I've got no idea what to do with it.
Oh shit!
Oh no, there it is on the floor. No, I found it.
There you go.
Wow.
Jesus.
There you go. It's a
Usually,
miracle.
it usually works if you press the on and off button.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
On and off.
That's what I want the instructions for.
That was bad.
You're saying you should
I did not know I was gonna do that. Can't do that.
Oh,
First
shit.
button you do first. Would that work?
Wait, well, okay. Watch your screen. Boom.
Look.
It's neither here nor there with the prices on Amazon, Tim.
Yeah.
Like the mic's like $20 more. USB hubs probably about the same. So I'm not going to like lose out on anything. So I'll just go with the U-bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, U-Mart's good, man. Very good.
Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do.
Cool.
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 Now it'd be good
Cool
when you get
bananas.
that. It'd be good when you get that. Then everything will run smooth.
Yeah, no, I want my keyboard so I can set up my big screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you can
There
get
you
the
go.
keyboard anywhere.
Yeah, no, I've got that Pi 400 coming.
Oh, yep. Good.
Yeah, got it
There
for
you go.
like $200, what it was.
Nice.
So you'll be set, man.
Yeah, well, I won't need a what is it? The box that goes with it on the side,
Yeah.
the tower. Yeah, because it's got its own. That's how it comes. The keyboard and there, and it's all in one. So it'll be
Oh,
good.
that's all right. I get it. I had to buy a keyboard, but I bought this one.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, it comes with a mouse and everything. And if I need more power or more memory, shit, whatever it is, RAM, I'll just buy a bloody
Stick.
plug-in one.
Yeah. Well, I got this mouse.
Hang
It's
on.
all RGB.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah.
All RGB.
Damn.
It lights
What's
up
that?
like a mother.
Ah.
It's like a damn spaceship. But I finally got to know all the damn buttons. It took me a while. Then I got this is my keyboard.
FPV, get in
Flashing
there.
lights.
That's all RGB.
Come on in. The weather's fine.
Yeah. Everything's RGB on this computer.
Always
But the
next-
thing is, I got to keep on
Edge.
airing it off. What's up, Sean?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Still working.
He definitely doesn't need beer, does he? But he hasn't changed.
No.
always
I don't
working.
need a beer. Fuck. Sounds like he needs a downer.
Nah, man. Nah. I go to sleep just fine now.
There you go.
No,
Yo.
Wow.
uh,
down, Bobby.
shit.
Simmer down, son. Simmer down.
What time you working till, Edge? Sean? Oh shit, you working the fucking late night shit. All right.
Going all that. Partying all day.
Up all night, sleep all day. That's right. Remember that song from the 80s? Up all night. Who the fuck song that? I forget. I don't know. I try to start smoking outside now, but you know, I gotta blow it up. I got like air
That's what-
cannon.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I used to do when I was smoking. So the kids, the ex didn't cop it, didn't stink the house out. Yeah, I remember back in Sydney when it was freezing, standing out there when it was pissing down,
Yeah,
having a smoke, breathing, shivering.
yeah. And
Yeah,
in your
that's what
ear,
you
did
do. That's what you do.
and in your ear, did you hear a song sung all by myself?
Oh, every
Remember that commercial?
every half hour.
Every half hour.
Yeah.
Now they got a commercial over here, Marcel, that it sings that song all by myself.
Even
Fucking hilarious.
Yeah.
Hour left, and I can go into the big print. Got to purge it, then recalibrate it because
Uh-oh.
this is about my 10th print, so I'm going to recalibrate.
Oh, shit.
what?
Yeah, man.
Really calibrating?
Yeah, recalibrating, you know what I'm saying?
You're re-leveling. I hope not recalibrating.
Yeah. I'm gonna bring it down to the home. You know what I'm saying, dog? Shit.
It's okay. One day you'll learn the terminology.
One day, man. One day you'll figure it out.
I gotta get that book that says nerd.
I'm gonna do a full reset by turning it on.
Bring it on. Bring it on down the road. Just get on that 18 wheeler and just keep on going.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Spin it around. Throw it down.
Yep. Roll on long way. Roll on crew. Roll on mama like I asked.
Today's giveaway is a bag of parts for servos that I'll never use because I
It looks like clips.
So all these little type of pieces will go to the first person who can guess what day today is.
Righto.
All right, you win
It is.
$6,500 for these pieces. To Australia.
That's some expensive shit right there.
Well, they gotta pay 3 kangaroos and a koala to get there. So.
Oh yeah, well yeah. About 5 kangaroos, I reckon.
Oh no!
Yeah.
It did it again.
Oh.
Ah,
I'll
it
send
again.
some room meat over there.
I'm tripping. I'm tripping.
You're tripping, all right.
This is the third USB port that I've tried today, by the way. But now that I said something, it's probably not going to do it anymore.
Yep.
Yeah, just did.
Yep. Oh.
Yep.
No, you're good. It's good. Good play, Smooth.
This board.
That's the old samurai show.
I think I should turn it up a little bit. This hub.
You guys, you're right.
Yep. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah.
You know, wanker.
Yes.
Jesus. Yes, sir.
An old Japanese movie. Yes. Pow. Yep. Till 7 a.m. Dude, you fucking work way too much, Edge. Like, you really need to.
Yeah.
But he must love his job.
Just retire, mate.
Well, he told me he
Just retire.
literally works at a high security area where he has to actually walk around the area to make sure there's no fires. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Oh, Moonquads did it too. Moonquad's losing his camera as well.
Uh-oh.
No,
I seen the flicker.
No.
in his-
Rat, your camera's going rat.
I'm changing things. I'm messing with stuff.
That's
I've
right,
got
Sean.
I've got OBS open in the background. I'm messing with shit, man. It's
My
like it's
computer
crazy.
can't do OBS and stream at the same time. Unfortunately, that's kind of the ridiculous thing because OBS is to stream things, but
But I could just do this.
yeah, blows
Yeah.
my computer
So
away.
I'm sitting in the background just playing with shit, going through scenes and stuff.
Yeah, but your computer wasn't made in 2002.
Yeah. No, this is a newer computer, man. That's why it's.
Yeah.
it's like-
I think my internet wouldn't handle OBS.
that picture's badass.
It might. It's
I don't know. I'm going to try it.
The internet. It's
Yeah,
more of a
There's the
process.
Rocky Mountains, boys. That'd be the,
Oh, your internet's got to be pretty good for
Yeah.
it to work.
OBS.
No,
For OBS, yes.
no, it doesn't.
No,
All right, I'll try it tomorrow.
More of a processing
OBS
thing.
is a background operation, man.
I'll try it tomorrow then.
Like
Yeah,
I
it'll work.
I'll
basically,
Can I put Zoom into it?
Yeah.
yeah,
And,
like this right here,
and
like what I'm doing.
everything. Exactly.
Yeah,
Or
you
you
do
just
like,
plug
whoop.
it in?
Yeah, it's actually better than using StreamYard because it basically is a StreamYard. OBS is like it connects right to YouTube or Twitch, but you
Yep.
can also
All right.
Zoom as well as a secondary camera.
Yeah, I can.
or a third.
I'll try it tomorrow. I'll try it tomorrow.
I can go down here.
I have the
There you go.
settings still on my computer for it, but it just doesn't run. It lags out too much. But my internet's fine on it. Like anybody's, it's like it's a processor thing. 'Cause it's processing data before it uploads, so it's gonna still upload and everything and download the same thing, but it's more of a processor.
I'll mess with it tomorrow morning when I wake up. I gotta go somewhere around 9 a.m. I'm taking all those cans. I'm taking them all to a cashing can, whatever. Get money for it.
Yeah, recycling station.
Yeah.
Yeah, even Edge says he can do it with his crappy internet speeds.
Yeah, but his internet speed is way better than mine. Way better than mine. Way. And that's pretty damn good. You know what I'm saying?
That's my message bank.
What the fuck? You do know that's the Dukes of Hazzard.
Yeah.
Cancel.
I had that air horn on my Camaro when I was younger.
I'll be
They
right
didn't
back.
like it. They didn't like it
You got a beer?
at all. You getting a what?
Yeah, that- Yeah, that's my messages that come through my phone. But the only thing is, I can't turn that one down for some reason. It's either on or off.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
you
it's
should.
just
Like,
weird.
what kind of phone do you have? What kind of phone do you have?
I've got a Samsung 6.
Okay, hold on.
It's an old one. That's my emails going on here.
Okay, watch this.
Hang on. I'm still. What?
Okay. You see how you can scroll down
Yeah. Yeah, I
Scroll
do that every time.
and then you come to a thing like that? Right
Yeah.
there. There's an arrow
Oh,
there.
yeah. I
Click
can
that
turn
arrow.
everything down on my phone. Yeah, I can turn everything down. My ringtone, like the email, music, and everything. Messenger thing. I can turn all that down except for that message alert. For some
That's
reason,
weird.
it just won't turn down. As I said, it's either on or off.
That's
No
weird.
midway for it. Yeah, it is. I mean, yeah, but I don't mind. I can hear it.
Yeah. Well, hell yeah.
Same as
Whatever you
everybody
do,
else.
don't double tap the single tap. Because if you double tap single tap, you get into another menu and it's a different menu and you just don't want to be in that menu.
Hey,
Ah,
Hey, I'll be right back. I gotta make a phone call.
What'd you
I gotta
say?
make a phone call. Be right back.
Oh Lord, he's gonna touch
Yeah,
himself.
no
He's
idea,
gonna touch
mate.
himself. He's probably gonna touch himself.
He's going to check on his ribs.
sorry, did I
Touch
lose you
yourself.
somewhere in that one? Basically, if you hit the return key and escape at the same time, it sends you to a menu. It's really good. Alt F4 for sure.
Oh yeah. There you go.
No,
This is fun.
no idea. What is Rat doing now? Oh, he's going to
Videos.
Let's do it. I want to see a video.
I don't know.
Are you using OBS? You said, Rat?
Yes.
Oh,
I am using OBS right now. That's what I'm using. I can stretch that out. Here, let me do this to it.
full screen that motherfucker!
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. I'll do that to it.
I knew I shouldn't have ordered pizza. Now I ordered pizza and it's 25 minutes late. I'm like, really? Come on.
Let's see. So yeah, this is OBS trying to stream it through the computer back out. I don't think the.
Did you optimize for blah, 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 blah when you clicked on share screen? Oh, wait, that's not share screen. Yeah. I don't think it works as well on StreamYard by doing what you're doing. If you stream, if you share the screen, you get better video quality out of it because the sharing of it actually optimizes the video quality where watching it like this doesn't do it as much justice. If you
Yeah.
want to share, you can do that as well.
I could probably do that a little easier.
But yeah, some of your smaller stuff was doing pretty good because it wasn't as good quality. Like
Well, what it was is it was not even full. That was just a whole window is what I was transmitting. So that's basically a whole window. I'm
Yeah.
looking at a whole window and looking at where I'm talking to you guys. You know,
yeah,
like if you just leave it normal, all four of us, and
Yeah.
me.
right.
So if I take that one and I blow it up like this
You call.
and do that to it, it goes a lot better. Does it look better that way?
No,
No?
but I mean, StreamYard is like shit.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I exited the window, so it fucking kicked it away. So yeah, looks pretty deep. Yeah, shit, I can see it now. Let me move it over here out of the way. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty smooth. 'Cause I'm watching the StreamYard video. But yeah, that place is pretty cool.
Oh fuck.
That's a 7-inch. That's a 7-inch quad, doing all that.
Word, yeah.
It's not too bad. That place is pretty fun. There's shit houses sitting over in the trees still. They were built in like the 1800s. It's crazy.
Let's see if I can. I'll share the link here on your thing.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
But
Watch out.
I try to bonk his water tank
Did you do something?
and almost lost video.
Did you get a haircut?
what?
Did you get a haircut?
Yeah, I was trying to bonk that water tank. I was losing video every time I got close to it. It was like
All right,
no video.
This is the newest one, right?
Yeah,
Look, it's a maple leaf. Oh,
that's that 3D. That's that DVR footage. Let me do this. Really? That's because I got a microphone on my quad, so you get to hear my quad in my DVR.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a smart audio transmitting back and forth. That
Wow.
beeping. Because I'm over a half mile away.
Yeah,
That's the link.
damn.
That's the
I
link
just saw
coming.
I just saw a blonde there sunbathing.
Yep.
Well,
My wife.
well,
Did everybody else see that? I saw that.
Double D's for sure.
Damn, I bet. Shit. It was like eggs being boiled on a. Never mind.
That's Dolly Parton.
Dolly, how you doing, Dolly?
Gotta give her some screen time.
Dolly.
She has screen time. She has screen time.
She dead yet, or is she still alive?
She's still alive. She alive and kicking. Yep. Them double D's are still floating.
No, they're not double.
Well, they must look like damn doubles. I remember when. Damn.
Quadruple D's.
Well, they're fucking big.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
When they get that big, they're just rated fucking big.
You get A, B, C.
I got told a long time. Yeah, I got told a long time ago that more than a mouthful's a waste anyway.
Yep, that's true.
I don't know
That's
who
true.
gives these ratings anyway, because an A is not an A to me. Like an A
I don't
is
like.
a really good one. where
I don't like
double
big boobies.
is way better than.
I don't like big boobies, man. There's too much there. My pillow ain't even that big.
Pillow anymore.
Yeah.
It's okay if you like men. It's okay.
Okay.
See, you got sizes and bras: A, B, C, D, E, and then oh my fucking god.
OMG. So it looks like you're actually
Where's
just
that rat?
flying pretty straight, bro.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, it is.
Edge says there are double E's.
Oh my god,
That's
Jesus!
fucking ridiculous.
Does the E stand for exciting
No.
or excrement?
Excrement? What?
Excrement.
What about
Excrement.
enormous?
Yeah, that means shit.
Yeah. Excrement? That sounds gross.
Yeah, that's shit.
Yeah.
Fuck, somebody got it. Okay.
So
My
that means
God.
you like shitty titties.
I like just a handful.
Yeah.
I
I'm in
like two
the,
handfuls, if you ask
I'm
me.
in-
If it's just a handful, then something's wrong with her tits. She only got
Whoa.
one.
I'm in the itty bitty titty committee. I'm telling you, I'm the president.
Both hands, one hand.
Oh yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, but one hand's got to be on the ass smacking it, and then you grab the. Never mind.
Those are tiny.
Don't get too excited, Tim.
I might have to go to the pub tonight.
Yeah, I was going to say. He'd be back on the piss if you keep that up.
It's on Friday night when all the freakies come out. You know what I mean?
Oh, gee.
Yeah.
The party's about to
Better have a
get
couple.
going, boys.
Yeah, I
I
know
brought
a couple of joints, mate.
Fuck that.
Yeah, you just
I brought some.
You
I brought some wild girls home from the pub, man.
Just smoke
Wild girls. Ooh.
just the cup size. Then we
Way too big.
how bug around they are to have seen 38 double E's, and yeah, they are way too big.
Well, she wanted to stand out in crowds.
That's not standing out.
She'd never break her nose if she fell over.
Nah, right back up. Boom, 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 boom.
That's hilarious.
Once, hey, if she takes her bra off, man, she's gonna have to like throw them over her shoulder, wouldn't she? Over the shoulder boulder.
Yeah,
hole?
the holster holders, yeah.
Shoulder, boulder, over.
Yep. Over the shoulder boulder holder.
Yeah, a lot of that flying right there is pretty cool. Though. That area is pretty nice. You can get down in those trees, and all those trees there, most of them are like maybe 10 foot tall. They're like shrub ponds. Kind of weird. Mini quad gets stuck in them, you just go and pick it out. I like that spot. That spot's pretty fun. You can camp right there. No one say nothing to you.
All right, people, I'm going to have to get going. I want to go and eat.
All right, brother.
All right.
So thanks for having me on. See everybody later. Have a
Love
good
you,
one.
Tim.
See you.
Peace.
Okay, Tim.
Where's your brother? But yeah, that's a TBS Pro 32 VTX on high voltage. And
Right as fuck.
yeah,
Right as fuck.
yeah, that was a 7-inch quad. That thing's fun as hell to play with. That's
Crazy.
That's 4S too. That's pretty cool. I was surprised how well it did. I just threw some parts at a frame and said, all right, well, it works on a 5-inch, but if I bump it up to a 2408 stator size, that'll spin a 7-inch prop pretty good. It does pretty damn good.
Yeah, dude. See, this is a video from some guy named Tim about 5 months ago.
Oh, yeah? Oh, 5 months ago?
And I was going to play it before he left, but he left too early. But he's probably still watching. So, Tim, can't wait to see your next one, man. Keep it up.
Yeah, buddy.
Get back on the horse. Beautiful.
Yeah, some nice country in Queensland.
A little fast with the panning, but not bad. Wow, look at that peak over there, straight up.
Yeah,
Those clouds look cool. Wow. Yeah, a little quick with the panning. If you would have slowed down the panning on it, it would have looked better, but good job, Tim. Keep it up, man. Keep
yeah,
doing
not
more.
bad for an amateur. UFO, there you go.
What is up, UFO? We're just hanging out, watching some videos of people's destruction and non-destruction. Some of the things you want to show off. Some of the things maybe you forgot that are in the video you didn't want to show off, but too bad, you've seen it. Whatever you got. We're just hanging out for a little bit. Probably another half hour here, and then I'm going to call it a night, but you guys are welcome to hang out and chat and chill. I'm probably going to smoke at least 3 more joints.
Yeah, I'll have a cane myself. Go shoot. Kangaroos, that is.
Kangaroos.
Yeah. Need to get some meat in the freezer.
like one of my most favorite trees just because of all the gaps all over it. You can really get away with a lot with the Mobile 6.
Never gonna break you down.
Thanks, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Right on, right on. So yeah, Mover the 6, I still love that thing. I've gone through so many frames and so many cameras and so many parts. That thing just keeps taking abuse. It's an amazing little quad. And Rat looks like he's got some really cool shit going on over there. Long range is amazing stuff. That's for sure. You're on mute, Rat.
There we go. Can you hear me now?
Yep.
All right.
Dude, that's sick.
Yeah, that's pretty fun there. That's a little bit of a drive to go out and fly those places. It's pretty fun. Fly some big stuff. They got big trees. Those trees are like 120 feet tall.
Yep.
Some of them, it's crazy.
Right on the mountain. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's edge of tree line. We went up to tree line and flew a little bit.
Damn. Damn.
You can see the. I don't know. No, it's not here. I think it's down below it. Anytime you see where I'm flying in these big areas, and you see like my buddy crashed his quad over there. Yeah. Anytime you see a hiking trail running through the trees or something, it's like the Continental Divide Trail that's going through the mountains. It's got little sprouts that go off for camping areas to get them off of the ridge lines before dark and stuff. because like when I was coming down, you could see that there was like an extra road. I thought it was a road. That was a hiking trail. I was like, holy crap. Yeah, I was playing around. That was a 5-inch chameleon.
Wow.
And that was the third day with Crossfire. I went to the moon, baby. I was like, yeah, I could go here.
No doubt.
This spot's cool as shit. Don't play. Yeah. This spot's cool as hell. This is one of the cooler spots I like to fly. This is just like literally up the road from where that last video.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a 5-inch chameleon. or what is this thing? Here we can look. Oh no, it's a hyperlover freestyle on a Kiss B1 with a Racer Star 38.
Good thing you put that description, eh?
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, that quad there is that quad's pretty fun. It goes. It was my first build for a good 5-inch long range setup. It's a really tiny quad, and it cuts through the air really good. Yeah, everybody. There's people that I've had people ask me like, man, what are all the jello in your videos, man? Dude, it's 12,000 feet, man. Like that is 12,000 feet up.
Yeah.
I was way down there. That's like I just flew about a half mile back, and I'm going out to the end of that point across that ridge. There used to be mining equipment sitting on top of that mountain.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's all mined off. That's why it looks like the way. Those are old mines. It's from back in the day. But I'm always looking for buildings and stuff because we find buildings on top of them, and it's like, dude, there's a bando. We'll find a way to get up there and go fly. We got to hike up there and spend a night in one of the buildings. We don't care. It's the summertime. At that altitude at nighttime, it gets down to about 50 degrees.
No, it's epic.
Yeah, it's pretty fun, dude. That's one of them spots. If a mini quad goes down, it's gone.
Mm-hmm.
You can hike up there probably to get to it, but dude, getting up there would be very dangerous because all that rock has just been. That's from almost 80 years of mining, blasting up there. Like this was before the EPA was around.
Right.
Like that, they were up there just blasting. I was looking like that was a plateau. There was probably a huge dragline bucket used to sit on top of that ridge line.
If you're gonna crash one up there, you might as well crash two to make it really worth it.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I went from one end back that way all the way out to that end. We measured it on Google Maps, and it was 1.5 miles. And I'm down here at the bottom. It's like Jesus. This was like the third day of Crossfire. And TBS Pro 32 VTXs.
Wow. Cool.
When that thing's at 1 watt, you can see the world. But this is all the GoPro on it.
Yeah.
But my video was just as clear. He was like, it could no way it could be. Man, here's a video of me flying out away from myself. I could go to that same spot. I could go, but all that area's been mined. There's mines all over the place there, like in-ground deep mines.
Right.
Like in the shrubs there, anywhere there's a bald spot, there's a hole in the ground. It's kind of dangerous to walk around. Those places are pretty cool to fly though. But yeah, that friend of mine there, he's a pretty cool guy. He's an older guy. He likes wings and stuff and gliders. He flies gliders. I got to chase one of his friends one day with a mini quad.
Oh, nice.
Actually, it's on my playlist here. Let's see. Where is it? Sharing sky.
Mika Steve fell off Facebook. Fell off the YouTube.
Oh. Poor Mika.
Whoop. Have you done much chasing footage, like chasing other things or people or stuff?
Yeah, chasing cars and stuff at that one place. I had one. I was chasing a hang glider.
Oh wow,
Yeah. Where the hell did it go?
sick.
Like somebody get ripped off and get my YouTube jacked.
Ah, yeah. I heard what you said.
Hey, welcome back, bud.
Hey,
Yeah, I heard you. I still have my headphones on.
Oh yeah, he said he was taking a damn call. Well, I forgot him. Stone, sorry.
I just had to go and do a couple of things.
Mika, you got any FPV type videos or anything you want to share with us?
Have I told you that I haven't flown my drone yet?
No,
I told everybody else, I think.
I probably missed it.
Yeah, I'll get it. Yeah, I'll have to have a practice out in the backyard there and then show you the sights of Mika Thara.
Yeah.
Mika Tower, huh?
Mm. Yeah. City Heights. The city lights. You're right.
Okay,
Mika. Oh, you got your pizza, eh? Sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, another few hours yet before we have a feed. 3 o'clock.
There it is. Our friggin' pool.
You found it?
Yeah. Go there, back it up there. Here, we'll just go back here to the again. Back up here, boy. Yeah, this is do not do what I just did. Did you see that? Do not do that. Do not everybody. Nobody ever do that. If you want to learn how to do that, find me and I'll teach you, and I'll build the quad for you and show you how to set it up so you can do it safely. But do not ever try to hand launch a mini quad. Yeah, there's a hang glider.
All right.
One of my friends. There's a lot of hang gliders in this valley because we're at 8,000 feet, man. You can catch thermos all day. It's like sailplanes in Australia.
Yep.
Yeah.
You got a wing too, Rat? Or just quads?
I want to build a wing, but I need to take care of some things in life first before I do anything else in life right now.
True.
Be an adult, you know? Got to be an adult. But yeah, that old guy right there, he was 76 years old out in hang glider on around. He didn't even see this fucking mini quad. Didn't even hear me.
Really?
Yeah. I was like, damn. I followed him around for a minute.
What size is it?
It's about a 14-foot span glider.
No, I'm
Man.
talking about your drone.
Oh, that's right there. That's that's that Hyperlow Vert Freestyle V2 5-inch.
Oh, it's a 5-inch. Not mini
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah, it's just a 5-inch quad.
Yeah. You were saying a mini quad. I was like,
Yeah, I
what?
call anything under 10 inches is mini to me. Okay, sorry. Anything under 10 inches is a mini quad to me.
Right.
Micro, anything under 3 inches is micro. There's an old mine. That mine was built in the 1887 or something like that.
Yeah.
That whole mountainside's got tunnels in it.
5-inch is
Spot.
becoming the average quad, not the mini quad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm still gonna call it a mini quad. Yeah, there's a mine entrance. There's mines all over that dang mountainside.
What's the biggest drone you have then?
7-inch. I had an X,
mini quads.
I had an X class for a couple days, and then I was like, yeah, I don't need this. I'll get in trouble with it. I flew it out here, whipped it around, like line of sighted it, bought it off the marketplace, and I got a pretty good deal, $700 for a 10-inch shrunk down monster quad, basically.
Mhm.
Took a X class and made it into a monster quad. Yeah, that thing was retarded. It ran on 12S, and I do not need something that big, okay? Because I am a belligerent fool with a mini quad, and I would ruin everybody's hobby. So I just don't have things that large. Keeps me out of trouble.
Yeah.
And I like having fun with them. So yeah, 7 inches. 7 inches is good. That's as big as I would want to go. But I think it's more fun. Yeah, there's that glider. I came back out, was going to chase him out over the valley floor. Yeah, they go up this road right here, and then they pack the hang glider up and drop back. Someone they drop back down to the bottom and pick them back up. My buddy was like, "Jesus, man, I can't believe you chased him around." I was like, "I hope he don't get mad." Went down there and showed him the GoPro footage. He was like, "That's cool. That's really cool." I could see him in my FPV feed when I was landing. Oh yeah. Really? Telling us
Sorry.
about it, are you? Really?
No, that was good to hear.
Uh-huh.
Some like a couple of 300 k's away, found a bit of gold. He put it up on
Oh yeah.
Facebook, YouTube. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
only a little bit.
I don't know how much I believe that stuff.
What?
What's that?
So Marcel, this is like right on the side of a dirt road.
Oh, word.
Like straight up, like cars were going by. Cars go by.
Yeah, I just seen it. I was going through Facebook and that was there. Like, why am I getting drone stuff? I'll send it to you.
Google knows what you're watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously.
That's crazy. Huh.
Well, come on. Fucking just play.
Just play, you bloody cunt.
Fuck, now it's on the video for fuck's sake.
Oh, Jesus. What the hell?
Incredible driving stunts ever performed.
Okay, we'll watch that too.
What's that, an advert?
Fucking
The hell?
Facebook. Videos
Fuck
suck.
that shit, man.
Fuck Facebook. Fuck Facebook in its ass. Baseballs. Welcome to Baseballs. We'll rub your balls all over our face.
I was just looking at the dog going up near. That's all I was worried about.
That entire thing is basically a link to a video that does nothing. But the entire top
Yeah.
of the description says 50% off 4K camera rotation, waterproof professional drone, blah blah blah. But it's like fucking nothing.
Nothing.
There's nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing.
The
Garbage.
fucking video that's bullshit. And it's stolen clips because
Uh,
I'm actually friends with people that are in this video right here. So
They're stealing your shit, man.
these are stolen clips
copyright.
made to a video that some asshole made who has no idea even what a drone is. Look at this person. You
Yeah.
think this person actually knows what a drone is?
Mhm.
I doubt it. I
No.
fucking doubt it. I bet you she draws drones, maybe. Fucking world, man.
Nice.
I
Yeah.
like these videos. I'm going to use it in my video now.
Mm.
That's definitely a fake account. There's 4 profile pictures, and one of them is a clothing shot of a kid, a baby kid.
Yeah.
What's that have to do with fucking drones, man? I'm sorry. I hate Facebook for that shit. They're so brutal.
Oh yeah, they just rob you blind, but that's all they're doing.
Yeah.
That's their whole intention right there. Commercial you to
Recording a
death.
fucking video.
That's why I tell a lot of people about this Brava browser I use. It blocks 99% of that bullshit. That's that roadside ripping right there. Mini quad goes down up there, you never get it back.
Nope.
That spot's ridiculous, really big. That's like straight up vertical. Some of those gulches just go to vertical walls.
Mm.
Don't tell the break, but that's just the
Yeah. Seems nice.
I chased a couple cars down there at the bottom on this one, I think.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Driving by. I'm kind of belligerent with mini quads.
This guy is crazy.
Yeah, I'll send a mini quad anyway. I don't care. Let's just
This
park
guy,
on the side of
right here, this guy is crazy.
Crazy.
Oh, yeah. I've seen that.
Yeah, he's on a different level, buddy. Damn.
one guy touches the wrong wire, all of a sudden the whole team gets fucking electrocuted. Because you're all touching each other.
Whoa!
What was that?
My lawyer will be in contact with your lawyer for hearing loss.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Baseball's got you again.
I got my
You're crazy.
All right. Thanks for coming in, everybody. Appreciate you tuning in and checking out, especially on both channels tonight. Randomly. Peace out. Take care, everyone.
The hell?
That hurt my ears. Anyway, peace.